And blast off. We're taken away in a rocket ship. This thing is huge. Just look at it. Would you look at it?
Is there anything about me that isn't huge?
Happy
Look at
Sunday fun
look
to
at these
everyone.
muscles.
Welcome
Have you
back to
seen
our.
my hallway?
It's a pretty long hallway.
Have you been on my driveway?
Does it even driveway?
Say what now?
Well, does it?
What are you talking about?
Does your driveway even driveway? I'm asking.
I have no idea where you're going with this.
As I was saying, happy Sunday fun day, everyone. Welcome back to our weekly live stream where we get to hang out with you and show you our broken finger with not blue tape this week.
I thought I'd dress up for the special occasion here.
A familiar tie.
Yeah, I mean, Lynette is probably watching right now. This is probably giving her the fear farts because she was deposed in this tie. She's got another deposition coming up. So does Fleesa. So very, very quickly here.
But I'm betting Lynette has no clue what type of tie Randy was wearing the day of her deposition because she was popping pills that day.
This would be an Italian tie.
She was popping made of the pills on camera.
Finest fabrics that the Italianos can come up with. I mean, think of that. They came up with pizza, ravioli, lasagna,
and the meatballs.
The tie. They came up with the tie. Mamma mia, it's a good tie. It's going up for auction because Nick Requeda, he asked for it. So we say, okay. And Randy, he bring it over. He said, who you auction it off?
He personally delivered it this week.
He did.
And so it's going up for auction tonight, you guys. Jeremy usually likes to start off the live with a song. But don't forget, we're also giving away gold. Free gold.
We're giving away gold?
Yes.
Why? Because we moved into a town with no one around, all to get away from the snow.
Well, we thought nobody would be around.
That's what happens when you get stalked, George. People show up. Yeah. Well, we put in a 2-inch line. Everything was fine.
It is a monster. It is a monster. Thank you, Vicky.
George, I feel like I need a Walkman headphones on right now. I can't do this without headphones, like a Walkman, 80s style. Just can't do it.
All right. Well, the next time we find one in a storage unit, I'll be sure to call dibs.
Okay.
I can't help you right now.
I'm going to ask you for a penny.
Okay.
Until they tried to steal all my dough. Mary was in town hall. Can't do math at all. Just kept calling the law. Sending emails to Worm. Hoping he confirmed no one would know about her flaws. Guess what happened next?
Quite a bit.
Guess what happened next?
Quite a bit.
I mean, you lived it. You might be able to guess it.
People came forward to acknowledge the same flaws.
Well, Lynette and John were running their con, trying to get any money they can. Everything about them dies. Then she fake cries. I used to say they'll end up by a river in a van. I don't even think they're going to have a van at the end of this.
It can be make-believe.
They'll end up by a river without a van. Signs all over town. Now they're taken down. Everybody knows who done it. Don't do the crime if you can't do the time. They're living in a shed with no permit. Well, I mean, she's in a camper now, and he's in a shed. In a king-size bed.
Oh, yeah, he was bragging about it.
Yeah, he's bragging. Big flex right there. Except she put her name on the loan for the camper, which is going to be repossessed.
She didn't say she co-signed.
Well, Russ was texting Don, telling him it's on. You think we'll see Russ next month? We'll get to that later. We'll
see. I thought he don't do email, so how can he get the link?
That's true. Let's give the world a show. We always wanted fame. Now they know our names. In the meetings, always vote no.
Sherry phone.
All making threats. Fans are taking bets. Who's going to be the next in jail? Will be Mary, Russ, or Fleesa.
I think people are voting Fleesa.
Poppy Seed or Mama Misa.
Thank you so much, Frankie, Glenn, Dawn.
Oh, we just know it won't be what the Hales. We just know it won't be what the Hales. Because Fleesa
did say that we were going to be arrested.
Yeah, how many times now? How many times?
Yeah.
And yet here we are still. As a
Mhm.
matter of fact, Levy County Sheriff won't even come anywhere near us. They're so scared of our cameras.
Yeah.
It's the weirdest thing in the world. But
So weird.
we moved into a town, no one around, all to get away from the snow. Put in a 2-inch light, everything was fine. Until they tried to steal all our dough.
Give it up for Jimmy. Thank you. I love Myrtle Beach.
Here's the most curious part of all of this. Why try and steal from somebody who willingly wants to help people and give it away? I don't get it. If you would have came at us the right way,
Sure.
There could have been actual help.
Yeah. Absolutely. We love helping people. This channel is about helping people. And that's how she found us on YouTube in hopes that we would help her.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You mean they all found us through YouTube?
Yeah.
And then tried to grift off of the money?
Even Deuce.
Do you think Fleesa, her toothless mouth is just salivating right now? Not for chicken skins.
I'm
not for chicken skins. She wants my tower.
She's using her imagination.
She wants my
pretending
tower.
that's a peen rock.
Oh yeah. We don't do that.
Yeah.
We don't
need to. We need to. We keep it classy. We don't need to stoop down to her level.
Well, this is going up for auction tonight, George. And it's not the biggest. It's not the biggest obelisk you've ever seen, but I'm gonna go ahead and hand that over to you.
All right.
Because
and I'm gonna hand it over to Ninja Gina.
We are gonna be giving away some. Let me take that out of the package so that works a little bit better. We are going to be giving away some Disney gold tonight. It's a little Steamboat Willie. That is gold. That is 0.999999. And there we go. Right there. That's 0.9999. And that's number 17, I believe.
Yeah.
It's number 17 Disney gold we're giving away tonight. It's going to be great.
That power tower that Ninja Gina just took away.
Oh, we forgot to list all the powers. We forgot to list all the powers of the rocks.
Well, everyone can
that power tower has the power to make Fleesa really mad when she sees how much it sells for.
She'll be green like the tower.
And if you want to make her even more mad, we're gonna have a pretty super auction here.
Isn't the color of envy green?
I don't know. I'm red-green colorblind, but this orange tie is beautiful on me. I can't say enough about it. Now it is going up for auction tonight because Nick Ricada actually requested it. He said he loved it. I mean, look at this. He knows his ties. I know nothing. I can't even tie a tie. Deanna had to tie this beforehand for me.
There was a YouTube video that popped up where you lay it down and then you flip the end and then you pull it through and it becomes tied for you.
I rather just hold on to my emotional support whopper.
It's even blowing a kiss.
Yeah. It loves me and I love my whopper back. I love limited.
It's ooey goo goo.
Oogie goo goo.
Oogie
oogly googly. Oogly
googly. It says it. Ooey gooey. Ooey gooey.
Oogly googly. Oogly googly. We've got all our super cool friends here on a Super Bowl Sunday, and we're gonna have a super cool auction tonight.
We are, and Starchasm's banana is going back up for auction again. Earlier I thought it was the 10th time. It's actually the 8th time.
Now, I think we should make one clarification there. It's Starchasm's autograph on my giant banana.
Okay. Yes, this is true.
Yeah.
This is true.
Yeah.
It is her autograph.
With some puppy slobber too. With some puppy slobber.
Jerry's banana.
So you get a little bit of puppy autograph with slobber as well. That bad boy, that bad banana is going back up again. It's going to be incredible.
Yes. And so total between Star's banana and Megan's hamster comes to $1,688, which surpasses Shizzy's helmet.
I didn't think anything could beat Shizzy's helmet, and then here we are. We're at Shizzy's helmet. Okay.
But the banana solo, because that's going solo is $956. Again, Shizzy sold for
could surpass it all.
$1,320. Shout out to Sunflower.
Shizzy right now is probably taking a fine Italian tie and he's sweating.
I have a feeling that Sunflower has plans for Shizzy's helmet.
That'd be my guess. Yeah.
I have a feeling. I don't know. That's just my intuition. Is Sunflower in the chat? Are you in the chat, Sunflower?
Well, Sunflower's a glutton for punishment. So Sunflower's probably in the chat. Probably in the chat. That would be my guess. So before we get to
Jerry, thank you.
Just to be clear, we do have a court meeting tomorrow. That Dana's in the chat.
Dana.
So
you're grown, Dana. You could do
grown. You do what you want to do. If you're glutton for punishment, Dana, go for it. Now, just remember, she could delete 3.5 hours and only leave 43 seconds. Like, we don't have it all. But
what?
Yeah, I didn't tell you that yet.
No.
Yeah, that's what happens. Okay,
I was busy working, preparing for auctions.
So we literally have it all, and at any rate, just be ready. May all be deleted, even though that would be spoilage of evidence, and it continues to happen.
Interesting. Didn't she manipulate Bonehead to do the same for his one?
Yeah.
Live? I knew about that.
Yeah, but don't worry. She told him to put it back up. Told him to put it back up.
JK says, I got the 43 seconds.
Wasn't that riveting, JK?
Sure you
I'm sorry. I really believe JK could put out way better in 3 seconds than Fleesa could in 43
seconds. Was the
seconds.
43 seconds just her hacking?
You want to know what it actually was?
What?
She meant to cut out that, and she left that instead and deleted the whole rest of the whole thing. But we already have it, so it doesn't matter.
Much.
Doesn't matter. So we do have a court session, a court meeting tomorrow, which we're gonna tell you about it. We're gonna tell you about it, but we're not gonna get there yet because before we do.
Okay, I need to make a correction. I keep saying sunflower. It's snowflower.
It's snowflower
in
the winter, but during the summer, it's sunflower because that's how she rolls.
I'm so sorry, Snowflower. I have my dyslexic moments. And it carried on. I can't read.
But before we talk about our court meeting tomorrow, which there is 100% a court meeting, Lynette will not be a part of it. Fleesa will not be a part of it. Saran Wrap isn't even allowed to be a part of it.
Thanks,
and
Diane.
So, or Deuce or anybody else, but there is a court meeting tomorrow, and there's a massive, huge docket that a motion that Randy just filed hit the docket around, I'm going to say around 5-ish.
For bankruptcy?
Well, I didn't tell you that either. So you're going to learn at the same time everybody else is. So before we do that, though, we really got to get in the freak of the week.
Okay.
It's nowhere near as good as a flea cap.
I'm so sorry, Snowflower. I kept calling her Sunflower.
I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed with Just Jay. Did you hear? I'm obsessed with him. Obsessed. Me.
No, I don't think it was obsessed. It was there was another word that was
upset.
Used. No,
upset. I'm upset.
Infatuated or something like that.
Oh, I thought it was okay. So it's, I'm not obsessed. I'm not upset.
Like infatuated.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I admit. I watch. Actually, I don't watch. I listen while I work and while I drive and while I sort and while I do a whole bunch of different things. And so that's a ton of fun to listen and watch there. But we got to get into the freak of the week, and we're going to need everybody's help at home for sure. Right. Larry, thank you so much for the 20. And Larry wants you ladies to have some coffee.
Oh, thank you.
And then Sherry, oh no, it's not bad news tomorrow, Sherry. Well, that depends on if you are.
Snowflower forgives me.
Oh, well.
She said it's all good.
Did we take the hub down out of the rafters?
No, where would we put it?
Well, it needs to come down because we have no connection.
All right, we need some de-rigging.
All right, so are we back yet, guys? Or are we still? Now we're back. Okay, now we're back. Okay. It may be okay, D. Let's just we'll see what happens. All right. So we got to get into the freak of the week, and then we got some court stuff we definitely got to touch base on. And we got some mail. We got an auction. We're giving away gold. Does Fleesa give away gold? Oh, no. She takes money from people. That's right.
But she charges people for shipping. So who wants her giveaways? Like, who does that?
You see, literally, somebody posted a video. This old lady posted a video of getting a package from Dodgy Robbie, and she got the wrong package, and she posts the video. She's like, "This is a mess. This isn't even mine. Oh, they wrapped it." I just,
For real?
oh my goodness.
I need to watch that video.
See, the thing is people constantly complain to us. I don't understand why they keep complaining to us. Like, there's nothing we can do if you keep spending your money on these idiots.
This is your warning.
And you complain to us as if there's something we can do about it. But at any rate, okay.
The only thing we could do is say we told you so. We warned you.
All right.
Warned you.
Freak of the week, and we're gonna need your help to determine who the freak of the week is. Now, Felisa was very, very jealous that Lips was freak of the week last week, but hey, maybe she'll pull it back. You know what? I don't know. Now, to be very transparent, I haven't really kept up with everything like I have in the past weeks. We have been extremely busy. We have more storage units that we have purchased and they're here on site than we ever have before in the processing and all of that. So I'll do the best that I can. But here's what I think everybody needs to know.
They're already voting in the chat.
Okay. My job is done.
They're already voting. You don't even have to do the freak of the week. It's not even Felisa.
Cherry,
she's going to be mad again.
Lime, agua. Oh, okay. All right. Well, we're the halftime show, so we might as well entertain. Lynette, you know, the individual who stalked us to Otter Creek, then put signs out all over town stating that I raped her 3-year-old daughter, which is not protected speech by any stretch of the imagination. You know, whose ex-husband, Crook, pulled firearm out on me. Went to jail for 40 days for pulling a firearm out on an 8-year-old as well who was visiting Otter Creek. You know, the individuals that keep talking about how they want to jam stuff up my backside, up Georgia's backside. You know, the people have been found guilty in 3 different court sessions in Ohio so far, been found guilty that they owe us money here in Florida. And that's just the beginning of it. Lynette publicly post in Felisa's chat. Last Sunday, George, can you believe this? Now, Felisa blocked not one, but multiple accounts from Lynette. Remember, she tried to get the giveaway on multiple accounts. She gets blocked.
And then Lynette tried to prove something that doesn't prove what she's trying to prove. And it shows that she has a playlist of what the Hales, but she don't watch.
I don't watch.
Oopsies, that showed up in the screenshot.
And she posts in Felisa's chat that Felisa has never belittled her like Shara. Hold a second. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let's put a little common sense in it. Huh? There are literally hours upon hours of live streams that we have recorded for court by Felisa, completely and totally dedicated to destroying Lynette, telling Crook to leave her, that he deserves better than her. Now, I 100% agree with that. Actually, they both should leave each other. They both deserve better, and they should be better people for other people.
Yes, when they sold their Northport home, that's when they should have split.
The chat literally cries out Baker actor, like they did when Lips flipped on Felisa as well. You know, when she was in love with me, wanted to live happily ever after in a tree house. Oh, yes. By the way, whatever happened to tick tock, Megan and Tug, because you were gonna owe Lips and Chips like $160,000.
That was a thing.
Oh, wait.
TikTok.
Wait. The 2 individuals who are being sued literally by everyone they've ever probably have had contact with in their life, every bank organization. I mean, there's so many lawsuits against Leslie Ann Federigos, Michael Federigos, that it's difficult to even keep track of how many, as they have done some of the most horrific things to other people. They're losing everything. What happened to tick tock? Felisa, tick tock. There's a law firm coming for you. You are going to have a financial audit. It's happening way sooner than you think. Tick tock. But that's okay. We still have those giant boxes for Megan and Tug. They won't be homeless. We'll do what we can for them. We'll even
They're
auction off this
additions.
tie.
We have additions.
We're gonna auction off this tie to try and help them.
Okay.
You know, Nick Ricada requested it. I don't personally know Nick, but I know this is a nice tie. I might bid on it even.
You
Okay.
won't know. You won't.
Oh,
be able to.
okay. Now, speaking of lips, you know, the hoe flunk, emphasis on the hoe in the flunk, you know, who's failed at everything, including lawyering, teaching, faking her own death, which is illegal. Yes, that's coming up in court as well. How many obituaries did she write about herself? Multiple?
Multiple.
Yeah.
Not just one.
Multiple. And then used another sock account and sent those obituaries to her family that want nothing to do with her. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But then she
claimed, tried to blame me, say she had to do it to get away from me, as she's sending me some of the most crude, actual content of her, we'll just say using her body as a playground, telling me that she does this multiple times a day to me.
Well, the words that she used was obscene and vulgar.
Oh, well, we'll keep it there then. So the Ho Flunk Lips claims she's super smart, George. She's so super smart and extremely educated.
I'm gonna disagree with the educated and super smart part, because look where her education landed her. Jobless and almost on the verge of being homeless.
Yes. Not too smart. As she goes live with her lawyer, who happens to be Chips, who keeps threatening to leave her to go to New York with the kids. And by the way, I have all kinds of recordings of this. I haven't played yet, but I will in court.
I'm confused though, because if her husband is her attorney and she's attempted to file for divorce multiple times and has attempted to file
3 times in the past year, and she's claiming he's domestically violent against her.
And then in addition to the 3 divorces that she filed and failed with those, there was 3 protective orders she tried to file too,
on her own husband.
On her own husband, who's her lawyer. Isn't that a conflict of interest if he's representing her?
I think the biggest conflict of interest is they literally have paint chips on, who puts revenge corn, we'll just call it revenge corn, which he's being sued for. This is illegal, 100% illegal, what he created, what has been broadcasted by Lips, what has been broadcasted by Fleesa, 100% illegal. And what does she do with her lawyer? Puts him on with it in his back screen. This is a 100% slam dunk. Her husband, Chips, you know, her legal representation, will absolutely lose his law license, which he doesn't care. I could show you everything Lips has said about him, that he's a horrible lawyer. He's looking for another job. He went up to New York with his buddies to job hunt, all this garbage, you know, and then Lips said that she was going to go and get another law license in New York. That will never happen. Yet she can't even spell. I mean, if you look at any of her descriptions, any of her titles, anything she puts out there, even under her sock accounts, Luna and all these others, you look at, she can't even spell your, or your.
Or even hillbilly.
Or hillbilly, or there, or two, and two correctly, let alone use those words grammatically correctly. It's amazing to me. By the way, George, do you know what they call the person who graduated from law school at the bottom of their class? You know, we always talk about, I graduated at the top of his class. Do you know what they call the person who graduated from law school at the bottom of their class?
I mean, wouldn't it be the same as, what do you call a doctor who barely passed the exam?
You call him a lawyer. You don't call him a smart lawyer. You don't call him an educated lawyer. Just because you got a license doesn't mean you're smart, doesn't mean you're educated, doesn't mean... here's the thing.
Who says that they've studied the law and they practice the law, they surely aren't practicing the law, because she has violated so many laws.
Well,
like, which law school?
What does education have to do with common sense?
It doesn't.
And she obviously can't apply common sense.
Yes,
she calls the cops on her husband, her legal representation, for turning the internet off on her.
The term is shutting the internet down.
As he's trying to protect her, and she's not smart enough to protect herself. And here she is in more lawsuits. That's not very educated or smart. That's a complete and total lack of common sense.
Yes.
Ah,
Having common sense and education are on different ends of the spectrum. You can be book
Now-
smart, but then when it comes to street smart and common sense, you could be down here.
I have to be very, very clear, because you can call the person who graduated at the bottom of their class a lawyer,
Mhm.
but you can't call Lips that. Sorry, it's not Lips. Can't call her that because she permanently retired in lieu of discipline, which most likely was going to be disbarment for doing the exact same things that she's doing to us, that she did to her clients who are coming together to put a class action suit against her. They invited us to be a part of it. They have reached out to us multiple times and said, would you like to be a part of this? We said, no, we want this separate. This is a very separate thing, what we're doing. That's Lips.
Wasn't she on probation for a year?
She, from what I think you were talking about that earlier
Yeah.
this week,
Yeah.
or somebody
She
was.
was on
Somebody was.
probation for a year
Yeah.
before she
Oh,
decided to retire.
well, let's talk about another lawsuit that nobody is talking about, because stupid Lame cries at the beginning of the year, George, that he's done talking about lawsuits. My emotional floor whopper. I'm done talking about lawsuits.
Gooey goo goo.
And then he goes on to talk about a lawsuit as he states, everyone is talking about it. Do I hear Felisa's cricket? Because literally nobody is talking about it. Nobody is talking about it. Now, here's the interesting thing in regards to this lawsuit, okay, that he tries to reference. It absolutely has no correlation whatsoever in what the What the Hale's ecosystem members have come together to do to destroy our character, our businesses, our relationships, our lives.
Is he referring to the mac and cheese?
Nope, completely different lawsuit. Haven't even told you about this one yet. And so this has no relation. Is he says this is, oh, look how this has no correlation. In that lawsuit that he's talking about, there was protected speech. In this lawsuit, the one that he's in, it's unprotected speech. When you go out and you start telling people that Jeremy Hales is a PDF file and he's trying to film little girls, and you put up signs and you go, hey, I saw him put up those signs that said Jeremy Hales raped my 3-year-old daughter at that time. When you go on to say that she's a extreme terrorist, a Muslim terrorist, when you go on, I mean, I could go on and 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 on. None of it's protected speech. None of it correlates. None of it has anything to do with that lawsuit whatsoever. Now, here's the interesting part about that, though. This is as dumb as Lips quoting a United Kingdom lawsuit case, saying that she's got case law to back up her claims in the United States. Now, last I checked, United Kingdom is over the ocean, right?
Across the pond.
And it has nothing to do with our laws here in the United States. This is so stupid, as Lips claiming that she's so educated that a case law in the United Kingdom has any relevance here in the United States. As stupid Lame saying that this lawsuit that nobody is talking about has any correlation with what he's done. Even the judge in federal court stated this is defamation per se. This is going to be tried. There is nothing frivolous about it. And if you read today's motion from Randy in regards to paint chips, boy, Randy uses all of Paint Chip's own stuff against him. And my opinion, if Judge Belitho does what he's supposed to do, it's going to be an automatic default judgment against Paint Chips. You know, a felon disbarred lawyer who utilized a disabled blind man for a shell company that almost caused an international trade crisis between China and the United States. There you go. Now, here's the interesting part as well. Even though it doesn't apply at all, they're out recruiting. They're still trying to get other people to talk about this, to destroy us and our lives and our businesses, which gives us further proof when they contact us. Hey, I've been contacted by these people. Here's the messages. Gives us further proof in court against them. How stupid can you be? Literally, they are handing the evidence over for us for the destruction and damage they're trying to do to our businesses and our lives. Wow.
Do we thank Deuce for the delays?
shall we? Namaste.
Namaste.
Ah,
Try not to flee
Yeah.
this time.
yeah. Don't flee the country this time, Deuce. Even though you were, by the way, Bruce Matskin, Deuce. You know, the guy that has just been referred to the Florida Supreme Court for no less than a dozen felony charges for what he's done to us.
It's all in writing. He loves to do this, a lot of this, and leave.
By the way, if anybody out there is considering talking about this case, you repeat any of their defamation, you repeat any of the false claims that they made against you, you will be breaking the law. You will be sued. End of story. You don't repeat what they said, you're fine. I don't care if you like me. I really don't. I don't care if you say Jeremy's the biggest jerk in the world. Great. I probably don't like you either. Don't break the law.
Stay within the law.
How hard is it not to break the law? How hard is it not to break the law? How hard is it not to say that Jeremy raped a 3-year-old, to say that Jeremy is a PDF file, to say that George is an extreme Muslim? How hard is it not to say those things? How hard is it to actually practice protected speech, to not cross the line into unprotected speech and find yourself into a lawsuit? How hard is it? We have all these felons. We have all these frivolous lawsuits. Lips, look at her constantly. She literally states publicly on YouTube that she does this on purpose for character assassination, to destroy a person's character, for SEO.
But if the tables were turned, how would she feel if people did that to her? It makes no sense at all.
Well, neither does claiming that this is the lawsuit everybody is talking about, when literally nobody's talking about it.
Define everybody.
You know, I got to thinking back when I was a little kid. And I don't know, you grew up with your brothers, and I grew up with brothers. And me and my brothers, we loved WWF. And I know they got sued. They had to change the name. It's WCW now. Is it WCW or is this something else now?
I thought it was WWE.
Is WWE now? Okay, so it went from WWF to WCW, WWE, whatever it is now. I got to thinking, I was like, my goodness. I was like, my goodness, I remember when Hulk Hogan, he was the champion for the good guys. He was on the good team. He was the champion. Everybody like, yeah, Hulkmania. And then the wrestling scene turned itself over, and the Hulkster was on the bad side. I couldn't believe it. Andre the Giant was now the world champion. Hulkster, he's going to the bad side, and he's one of the bad guys. I just couldn't believe it. And I was thinking about this week, and I was like, wow, wrestling is fake. But the What the Hale's ecosystem members that Deuce put together, as they continue to recruit more individuals to cover more of this, giving us more evidence for court against them, which they will be literally financially enslaved to us for the rest of their lives if they're found guilty. And it looks like Paint Chips is headed for a massive default. And by the way, as you're watching the rest of the What the Hale's ecosystem, that default, once it gets entered, it trickles down to you, every single one of you, and what you've done. And you're conspiring to destroy our businesses with your defamation, with your false claims. You better hope like Hale's Paint Chips didn't destroy your lawsuit for you, but I can guarantee you he did. And you idiots put him on camera. Wow, how dumb.
It is dumb, but at the same time, the silver lining is if the judge does what he's supposed to, it'll set a precedent in the court.
And it's done deal. They're all done. So the What the Hale's ecosystem, the anti-ecosystem has reminded me of the wrestling back in the day. Hulk Hogan was the good guy, then he's the bad guy. I mean, they've done that to Deuce. Remember, Deuce was their savior. Deuce, he's going to save us all. And then Felisa's like, and I was told I wasn't going to get sued. Now, Felisa, who claims she's an Italian with a cousin who they both have intuition. Now, you understand what intuition means, right? They have foresight. They can see things in the future. They have intuition of what's going to happen. Obviously, there is no intuition as she's crying. Deuce got her sued in a federal lawsuit. That's not intuition. That's blatant stupidity and obesity as well.
She didn't see that coming.
Yeah, didn't see that one coming. As she repeated all of this false garbage and continues to incite hate and continues to incite harm
and violence
against both of us.
Yes.
And those we love.
Mm-hmm.
So
Why didn't she see it coming when Deuce told her he doesn't have time to help her?
Oh,
Wouldn't she
boy.
have seen that coming?
You would have thought she would have saw it. This intuition she has. She's got these special skills. Her and Kendra got these skills. They're Italian intuitives. I know a handful of Italians, and none of them have ever told me they can see the future. They didn't say they were intuitive about anything.
Yeah, Gina's shaking her head.
Gina,
like, no.
you're Italian. No, can't see the future. Gina's our magic 8 ball. Gina, she's our Italian magic 8 ball. We shake her up. Are we going to win in federal court? She says definitely. There you go. Italian intuition. There you go.
We have the law on our side.
Well,
no one has to like what the Hales or anyone that's associated with what the Hales. But they need to realize that we have the law on our side.
I think her magic rocks are broken because they ain't working. That's for sure. Felice's magic rocks, they ain't working.
Don't they do like tarot reading or something? Reading.
Who knows? So they did it to Deuce. Deuce was the savior. Now he's the enemy. They did it to Lynette.
Now
Lynette was everything. And now they hated Lynette, and they told Lynette needed to be Baker acted, and the crook needed to be saved from Lynette. She can't be trusted.
Ungrateful.
Now Lynette's back in the chat again. This is reminding me of Hulk Hogan. Good guy, bad guy. Good, bad guy. They've done it to Lips. Lips was their new savior. This person who created Hodunk Hillbillies, who is literally being sued, who put me as a person crucifying a Jew, put me in as Hitler, as they call me Jim Jones. This is not protected speech. This is all illegal. Not too bright. And then they promote it. They all promote it. Even Stupid Lane goes, oh man, there's going to be t-shirts and it's going to have. They all knew who it was. How stupid. So Deuce was the savior. Lynette was the savior. Then she wasn't. Then Lips was the savior. Then they hated her. They wanted to Baker act her too. Now they've taken her back. Oh, how is all a plan? I'm curious how sending playing with yourself videos to me, completely and totally unclothed, has anything to do with setting somebody else up. And how that's going to look to the bar, as Lips and Chips has now stated that they were in on it together and they were utilizing this to try and set me up. Let me be very, very clear. We are in communication with the Florida bar, and I 100% believe he will never practice law again. She will never practice law again anywhere. And I do believe they will be enslaved financially to us for the rest of their lives because of what they've done, the horrendous, horrific things of what they've done. And what is their response to that? They do more. Not too smart.
Out of retaliation.
Okay, well, then they did it to Stacey Nat.
It's so obvious what their intent is.
So they did it to Stacey Nat. And by the way, Stacey Nat doesn't get a free-for-all. Stacey Nat did and said and participated in some horrific, horrible things. Does she ever apologize? Absolutely not. And even if she did, doesn't matter. I can forgive you. That doesn't mean you are forgiven by the law. Oh, and then they did it to Flutter, the individual who sends inappropriate pictures to people who are in relationships, and then who made a song AI about me having sexual relations with alligators. By the way, she's never apologized, and nor would I forgive her for such a thing, but she will be held accountable for such a thing. Oh, and then there was Rosie. Yeah, Rosie. Remember when Rosie stiffed another reseller for over $10,000? Remember how we had problems getting the money from Rosie constantly, to the point where I was like, just block her. This is insane. She does not pay. That kind of sounds like Fleesa. Because Fleesa squatting. Fleesa driving without a license, not even paying for a license. That sounds like Lips and Chips not paying their bills, losing everything. Everything's in foreclosure. These birds of a feather flock together, and they're no good for anyone. Oh, and I'm still wondering when they're going to do it to Victoria Wilkins. For those that didn't hear in the back, Victoria Wilkins. One more time, Victoria Wilkins. For those that need the timestamp, which would be Victoria Wilkins, Tori Leatherworks, whose name is not Tori Jones, it's Victoria Wilkins. For those that need the timestamp, go ahead and send that to her right now so she can try and get that taken down again, because she wanted to be a part of this, but now she doesn't want the world to know who she is. But when she's going to be in a lawsuit and the name states Victoria Wilkins, it will be public information and it will be all over the internet.
Well, what's gross about her is how she got her autistic grandson involved in it.
So,
And it's gross about her. It's so gross about her.
I mean, the grossest thing I've seen about her is that dog leash leather thing. Ah! But isn't this the same thing Lynette did with Russ the Sus? She came into Otter Creek. She hated Russ the Sus. She put signs up all over. Crook put signs up all over illegally.
Yeah.
They put them in the community boards.
This town into the ground and running it like a pigsty.
And then he's the hero. What do you need from me, Russ? But she did it to Mary. Math is scary. She even said it's in writing. Very first thing she was going to do is she got on town council. She was going to fire Mary.
If Lynette would have gotten enough votes at election time, the first thing she would have loved to have done is to fire Mary.
Nobody in this town is going to hire that psychotic piece of turd.
Turd.
Yeah. Oh, wait, she did that with Otter Creek water as well. Do you remember that? Otter Creek water is it's great. Wait, hold a second.
It's so good even though she drinks out of a Berkey.
Hold a second. It was so good. Jeremy Hales was wrong. Now it's horrible. She just posted it's the most horrible thing in the world.
She teeter-totters.
Nobody in Otter Creek, don't drink the water. I'm pretty sure she did that with What the Hales too, as she told everybody. She bragged to everybody. She was moving to Otter Creek with her new neighbors, What the Hales, and they're the greatest thing in the world. And she thought she was going to get millions. She's watched us give away millions online.
Yeah. Hearts on the mend. Why would she claim strangers that she's never met before and she's never watched any of their videos as her new neighbors?
That's interesting. Now I've got one more question. I have to ask this question.
Remember when she used to use chalk and draw on the road in front of our driveway?
Now, I want to be very clear as I ask this question. This is only pertaining to one person and one person only. So if you're at home and you're watching, you're like, oh, I'm offended. Well, let me be very clear. This has nothing to do with you. I love people of all shapes, all sizes, all races, all ethnicities, all backgrounds, all cultures. I love the diversity. God created us in his diversity. We are an image of God. But I'm pretty sure this isn't what he had planned. And I have to ask the question, what do you call this shape? What do you call this shape? I mean, I got to ask the question. Now, there's a conversation going on right now. Oh, my goodness, they found this person. They found Tammy J. They found Torque and Tammy online. You know how we did that? It was pretty easy. Your paint chips gave it to everybody. Oh, you know what else? John Crook is now the admin of it.
We're blurry.
Oh, yeah, that happens. That happens. Sometimes the camera it can't take in all your beauty. So sometimes it struggles. Struggle buses. All right, here we go. Back to you. Back to you. Back. Okay, still not working. All right, one more time. And follow me, camera. Follow me. Follow me. Sometimes it's because our backgrounds are so busy. Yeah. If we had a pure just background, we'd be okay. Okay. Here we go. Focus. 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 All right, you try it because it ain't working for me.
JK says, I thought I was drunk without drinking.
You try it.
Okay. I'm going to try the back of my mouse.
Okay. Dang, that thing needs cleaning. Well, that worked.
There it goes.
Okay, there you go.
This thing is like 3 years old.
So, so everybody they're talking about, oh my goodness, they found out what she looks like, as if we didn't know in the first place. Yet, your paint chips, the one who's going to be found in default in a federal lawsuit for multi-millions of dollars, which is then going to trickle down to all of these anti-What the Hale's ecosystem members because of the default, showed the world on his new defamatory 100% illegal page and everything that he's posting. And not only that, John Crook is an administrator. He's an admin on the page, which Levy County Sheriff all have, as they're supposed to be investigating. Not that they're ever going to do anything. We feel very confident after Ohio court, and you eventually will see all of the transcripts of court with Brett Beecham. Oh my goodness. Even Lynette's own lawyer was smacking his head going,
oh my gosh,
what an idiot. What an idiot.
So good. Why isn't Cleesa talking about that?
Well, I don't know.
Why isn't she announcing to the world that their attorney just smacked his face?
I don't know why she's not talking about when he closed his laptop with all of the evidence that she gave
the mountains,
him. Once,
the mountains of it.
Once I called him out and I went, listen, you fool. All those videos from Lisa, he's already been found. They've been found guilty on. He went, oh.
Why isn't she talking about that?
I don't know.
That he didn't know that he was guilty.
I wonder if she's going to cover the motion today that literally takes Paint Chip's own garbage and throws it back in his face, and he's going to be found in default.
She took the time to read bits and pieces of 120 some pages of ridiculousness that just contradicted Paint Chips. Like, who has time to read all those pages of contradictions? All you need to read is the first page, and you already know he's contradicting himself.
So Crook, who was found guilty in Ohio for creating a defamatory page, Otter Creek Coward, and then claimed he gave it to his friend Chris Holder. And
yes, I created it, but I gave it to my buddy.
And then I gave it to my buddy.
Admitting that
who is now an admin of a 100 times worse page. This is going to be great in March. And all the lawyers have it already. Levy County Sheriff have it already. That's your boy, Paint Chips. Nice job there. No. Hey, Deuce.
Congratulations on your ecosystem, failed members.
Namaste. And with that, who is the freak of the week?
Oh my gosh.
Who is the freak of the week?
It over. They make it way too easy. And everything that their intention out there is just so malicious. It's so obvious.
It's pretty bad.
It's so obvious. And so when they want to cry and play victim, you can't feel sorry for these people. They're the ones who chose to insert themselves and approach us and attack us with malicious intent.
Now, all of you that are watching, I want to be very clear. Lady Tammy says, always tie. Speaking of tie, this is going up for auction. That's the deposition tie. So George and I, we do have a meeting tomorrow with the new lawyers in the bankruptcy court case.
We didn't even take a vote. They're voting.
Oh, they're voting. They're saying all of them. Paint Chips, all of them. Oh boy.
But I think Paint Chips
is pretty much up there.
Takes the lead.
Pretty much
they were already voting on him before you even did the free cap.
Because a lot of them already have seen what's happened this week. I mean, the damage he has done to all of them is uncontrollable.
And you've got lips.
It's spiraling out of control.
You've got lips in there using her personal Facebook account with her name, not even an alias, laughing, saying that these racist photos crack her up of us being
horrible people.
Radical.
Horrible people. Yeah. And again, we will prosecute to the fullest extent of the law.
Continuing to prove,
make sure it doesn't happen to anybody.
That they're an artist.
Yeah, there's no doubt about that. Okay, so court. We do have a meeting tomorrow with the new lawyers. So basically what happened in bankruptcy court. So everything that we told you, contract with the trustee, special counsel, hiring Randy, the job description with that, we have all of that. We have absolutely 100% all of that. That all moved forward. So it was sent to Randy. Randy signed it. And then it went to the higher ups and they went, this is a conflict of interest. So the judges, really, it's not even the judges, it's the group of trustees. They went, we're not comfortable with this because Randy represents us in the bankruptcy case. So the trustees said, okay, since I can't hire you, Randy, I'm going to go with the company I usually go with. And then can you and Jeremy and George feed them all the information? Yeah. So tomorrow, 2:00. I'll even tell you what time, 2:00. We have a meeting with the new law firm, giving them all the information where all the money is, with all the evidence of everything they have to go after. And that includes Fleesa, and that includes Deuce, and that includes, and we could keep going on and on and on and on. And they will aggressively go after all of it. That includes everything. And we keep the receipts. We have the documents. We have all the fraud. There absolutely will be criminal charges. So 2:00, don't be calling us tomorrow. Don't be texting us. Don't be showing up at the schoolhouse, because at 2:00, we all, myself, George, Deanna, you're on that. Did Randy send that to you as well? Okay, because I know he wanted you in there for the 501c3 stuff. So we all have a massive meeting tomorrow with the new law firm, and it's going to be What time zone? Dana wants to know what time zone. Your time zone, Dana. We're in the same time zone, Dana. Come on. So same time zone. And it's going to be a massive, massive meeting. But not only that, there was another meeting that was scheduled this week. So on April 8th, we have a 5-hour mediation meeting in the appellate courts, Dan Owens and Levy County. Can you believe that? They booked 5 hours for mediation.
Wow.
Now, here's what I think is going to happen. I think Dan Owens and the state are going to go, hey, here's $5 million. Just let this go away. And we're going to go, no, absolutely not. You violated our civil rights. This is not okay in any stretch of the imagination. People are going to lose jobs because they didn't do the right thing. And you're going to pay my employees for the rest of their life and make sure they're cared for. I don't want their money. That money is dirty. What they did is dirty, and it's wrong. I don't want any of it. But I'm sure as Hale's going to use it to bless other people if it comes. So April 8th, we have a 5-hour mediation. What the goal is they want us to mediate and try and work it out and come up with an agreement instead of it going to court. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think that's going to happen at all. I don't think there's going to be anything that I'm willing to agree to or that you're willing to agree to. I think
because they're doing this intentionally.
Yep. Oh, by the way, when you see Ohio court and you hear Brett Beecham, beyond intentional, beyond. It's so incriminating. Literally, Justin, Lynette and Crook's lawyer, went
face palmed.
Could not believe what he was hearing.
Again, why isn't Lisa talking about that?
Believe what he was hearing. Could not believe
he did not see that coming, and neither did we. I mean, we kind of
he doesn't have any clue what's going on. Fleesa gave him all this stuff and went, here, do this, and he's in there in court. He has no clue what they've already been found guilty on, and the judge already told him, he's like, we are not going over any of this. This is already adjudicated. This is already done. He even tried to go into the aspect of jurisdiction, and she went, nope. It's a done deal. This is about contempts, and this is about new protection orders.
Yeah.
That's it.
Can imagine having clients that fail to tell, if you were a lawyer, the whole truth and everything that's going on.
Imagine
that's exactly what they did.
The lawyer in court and bringing up things, showing as you're in a contempt of court hearing and new protection order hearing, and you're showing previous evidence of what they've already been found guilty of. Thank you. Come on.
Again, why isn't Fleesa why is she not talking about all the exhibits that he did not show?
Must be he took, after I stopped him dead in his tracks, and he took his laptop and slapped it down. He had all of this from Fleesa, and I even called him. I was like, yeah, that all came from Lisa Lee. Yeah, it's called Germ. And I went, oh yeah, well, Lisa gave you everything they've already been found guilty on. I'm looking at it on the screen, and he went, whoop, and slapped his laptop shut. Like the insanity of it all. But we go back in March 6th, right? Yeah. March 6th, we got to go back.
The continuation. So then it makes me wonder, the other witnesses that weren't able to come to the stand, is he even going to bring them back on, or are they just going to hurt the case like the ones that have showed up did?
Here's the stupid thing, okay? So he had asked to bring Russ the Sus on as a witness and Deuce. All right, and this is hilarious.
And don't forget neighbor Tina.
No, he did not want her back. He said he doesn't want her. He said he wants Deuce, he wants Russ the Sus, and he wants John and Lynette. And so in March, he has to go through those witnesses still. There wasn't enough time. And so you're going to put Russ the Sus up there. What's Russ the Sus going to say? Well, they was here at town hall because they was here first, and they're going to be voted. Please say that again. Please. Because they've been found guilty. Not only that, they were not authorized to even be voted in for any position in town hall. They were not on the pre-approved list of people that they had to go through.
Right. It was called a qualified candidate list, and they were not on that list.
So you're literally going to bring somebody in court that is going to prove their guilt even more. Okay, thank you. And Deuce is going to show up with his handwriting report from his expert, who he called junk science. Yeah. Not only that, he can't even say anything about it because that would be hearsay. You'd actually have to bring in their handwriting expert. It'll be immediately thrown out. Not only that, Deuce is now facing, at a bare minimum, a dozen felonies, at a minimum, a dozen in the Supreme Court in the state of Florida, which I have on the record in Ohio. That is 100% on the record now. And that's not even the worst of it. And I can guarantee you Deuce isn't telling anybody what he's going through right now because his world is out of control based on what he's done. But you know what is under control, George? That beautiful tie.
He should have just focused on his mac and cheese.
Yeah. We did have some, we had some Chick-fil-A mac and cheese this week, didn't we?
We sure did, and it was delish.
What was that when we went? Which unit did we pick up? That was the St. Cloud, and then we went and got some Chick-fil-A mac and cheese, didn't we? St. Cloud?
I don't remember.
It was St. Cloud.
This week.
It was this week, St. Cloud. Didn't we have Chick-fil-A? Gina, did we have Chick-fil-A with you this week too? Where was that at? I can't even remember. I don't know. We've eaten Chick-fil-A a couple times. We've been on the road a lot. As of late,
there's no Chick-fil-A nearby, so Chick-fil-A's a treat for us.
Kasha says that hers is better, her mac and cheese. I'm still waiting. I know the invite has been there, and things are just crazy right now. But I'm still waiting. Baked potatoes. We didn't have any baked potatoes this week. We got to get back to
barbecues. Dee made us baked potatoes.
Oh wait, now Dee was last week.
Own version of
that was last week.
Spuds. Yes.
This is last week. That wasn't this week, though.
No, it wasn't.
Because I already talked about how incredible your baked potato was.
Thank you, John.
That was last week. This week, we started the whole project. We can't even get to the kitchen anymore. So we can't even get to it. But Dee went to the kitchen. She made pizza tonight.
Brought pizza. I was like, Dee, how did you manage to bring that pizza here?
And then Gina's like, we have an air fryer. We brought the air fryer from the kitchen into the whatnot room. And Gina's like, I think I can make cookies in the air fryer.
She's gonna try when we go live for the auction.
So we may still have some cookies, but we have a lot of things going on, and this week has been a busy week. We actually have more storage units than I've ever had at the schoolhouse at once to film, to sort. So we have 3, and we can't put them anywhere right now, because we have massive projects going on.
This is true.
Yeah.
This is true. So we're trying to make do with what space we do have, and it's kind of working.
Wait, did you get a permit, George? Did you get a permit?
We need a permit to buy a
permit?
Unit.
Did you get a permit for that air fryer in the whatnot room? Did you get a permit? Oh, did you know you have to get a permit if you get new heating and AC? Did you know you have to get a permit?
Apparently we need to get a permit to be able to cook in our air fryer too.
Yeah. You gotta have a permit. You get a permit. Oh my goodness, the stupidity that oozes.
The same woman who
I wouldn't call it a woman. You mean the man?
Her own throat?
The same man who is choking on, because she said she's got bigger balls than you. And so I don't know, bigger rolls, bigger, you know, they have that idiot 9 chins. She's got like 9 armpits.
Hey, now,
like
I got several chins too.
Yep. Oh man,
10,000 square feet and still no space.
Literally, that's what it is. I mean, it was. If you were in the members live today, you would have saw. I literally have it on the ground. Some of it. Not anymore. It's off the ground now.
There's something happening in the schoolhouse so huge that it's preventing us from getting to the space to put the storage unit. And so we're confined to the auditorium, which we call the stage area, and then the back room, which is the whatnot room.
Deanna's doing
with the storage units.
Deanna's doing belly. We're putting in a pool. Okay, we're taking the whole school. We're putting in a pool. Deanna's diving, belly flopping, doing cannonballs, gators. Except gators are out.
Yeah, so
she's doing manatees.
Some of the rooms are off limits right now, but it's only going to be temporary until.
But I keep buying, so I can't help it. Florida units are good.
Yeah,
Florida's a good. Okay,
so his job is to buy it. Our job is to sell it
and we're gonna sell more. You know what? We should probably. You guys want us to stay live for the auction tonight on YouTube as well? We probably should. We probably should.
Then you're gonna have to
So,
mute your speaker.
what I will do while George preps for the auction, where we're gonna be selling. This is lot number 8, right?
This is lot number 22.
Oh, 22. Lot number 22.
Yeah.
We're gonna be selling Randy's tie. And
Yeah.
this is lot number 8. We're going to be selling an emotional support whopper. There's going to be a ton of crystals and towers and obelisks. There's going to be NASCAR. There's going to be so much.
Banana is 25.
Stars Banana is at 25.
There's
lot
some
number
other
25
that were purchased and donated back to us multiple times. So that's going up for auction tonight. And so I'll see you guys at the auction. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I've pinned the link in the chat, in the live chat, so you can download the app to join our live auctions. And if you're joining for the first time, you'll get a $15 credit. So we'll see you guys there.
What did you say I have to mute? And why do I have to mute it? I need the microphone for the Whatnot auction. Okay. She didn't tell me. All right. So
I don't want my sound bouncing off your sound.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead, and George is gonna head over to the Whatnot room, where we're giving away gold tonight, and we are selling the tie. And here's my phone right here. Okay, however you want to do it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys over there as well. So I'll get you guys over there. We're going to get the auction started. We're going to have a ton of fun tonight. There's a lot of great things. Okay. And what I got to do is disconnect, then reconnect over there. Now, I won't lose you, but the video is going to be all crazy. Okay. The video will be all crazy, and the audio should be fine. George said something about the audio, but the tower, which was just at the last one, and it wasn't even in a bucket. So I'm gonna take you guys over right now. Now remember, it's gonna be a little wonky until I get everything set up, and it'll be 4 or 5 minutes. We'll get it set up, and you'll be able to watch the entire auction. Okay, and we are gonna be auctioning off these super cool shirts as well. Okay, all right. Let me get you over there. Here we go. We're going on a field trip. We are going on a field trip. I didn't take those. All right. Here we go. We are going on a field trip. Ooh, you might even see some super cool things here at the schoolhouse. All right.
Coca-Cola salt pepper shakers.
We used them for the short video, but I put them right back in, so I don't know where they went. All right, George is getting ready for the auction. Okay. Now I gotta get the camera ready.
All right, here we are. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Come on in. How's everybody doing? Thank you for joining. Are you guys watching the Super Bowl, or are you just hanging out, or are you watching both? Super Bowl and us. Both. We're getting both. Any Care Bear things? We actually have Care Bears in our Buy It Now. Welcome. So someone says, hello from Kalamazoo. Hello. A lot of you guys are watching the Super Bowl. I heard the halftime was horrible. So horrible. And Patty says, just you. Jennifer says, just you. Laura says, just you.
Halftime on TPUSA was excellent.
Oh, I'll have to watch the replay of the Super Bowl. Welcome, everyone. If you're new here, hi. I'm just a girl that's going to be auctioning off some stuff to you with a broken finger. And this is...
No broken fingers!
Everything that we auction off this evening starts at $1. That's right, $1 auctioned off to the highest bidder. Keep in mind that everything that we auction off this evening is sold as is, as found, untested. If we take the time to test something, we'll let you know. Otherwise, just assume that it's untested. We auction these items off to you as we find them in the abandoned storage unit or wherever we source them from. There's no refunds, no cancellations, and all sales are final. In addition to giving away $100 or not $100 tonight, we're doing gold. We're giving away gold tonight. Let me grab it. I have it right over here. In addition to doing the gold giveaway, one lucky buyer will get this at the end of the auction. We also do surprise giveaways where there's no purchase necessary. All you have to do is follow us here on Whatnot, and it's free to follow us here on Whatnot in order for you to enter in those giveaways. We'll announce when those are running so that you can get in on some free stuff. Now, if you've used our personal What the Hale's Whatnot invite link, and you've downloaded the Whatnot app for the very first time, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. You should have automatically received a $15 credit. That $15 credit sits in your Whatnot wallet until it's time for you to make your first purchase, your very, very first purchase here on the app. That $15 credit should automatically apply during your first purchase. If you feel that it didn't automatically apply, just message us directly here on the app so we can make sure you receive it. Now, for our international people, we understand that international shipping can be extremely expensive. And so the loophole with redeeming your $15 credit is to find a Whatnot seller in your country. There is a way to filter that on the app. And then that way you can redeem your $15 credit and save on international shipping as well. Now, if there isn't an international seller in your country, find a country closest to your country. That way you can save on shipping and be able to redeem your $15 credit. Don't forget to bookmark our shows. We have shows scheduled every day of the week, Monday through Sunday. If you want to support Team Ohio, which is Patience and Christian Team, they have their live auctions every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You may even see Princess Pepper or Baby Salt at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. Jan Hart, thank you so much for the tip. And then if you want to support Team Florida, which is Deanna, Ninja Gina, they have their live auctions every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. And then Jeremy and I are back every Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In order for you to bid this evening or to make a purchase this evening, you have to make sure that your address is input into your account. Also have to make sure that you have a payment method entered in as well. Double check your address. Make sure that you've included apartment numbers, unit numbers, lot numbers, PO box numbers, all that important detail so that way there's no delay in delivery and that there is no lost packages. Be sure to check our Buy It Now. Does anyone want to run some flash sales for me while I'm going through the curve? All right. And then if you don't, Jeanette, thank you so much for boosting our show. Dee's going to run some flash sales right now. If you don't want to,
where am I going to run from? Not here. Not that one.
Right there on the side.
Oh, is it on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do have items in our Buy It Now shop that vary daily, so make sure you check out our shop every day when we go live. If you don't know how to get to our Buy It Now shop, if you look on the right-hand side of your cell device screen or your tablet, look for the icon that says shop. Click on it. If you click on it, look for the tab that says Buy It Now, and then in there we have a ton of fun stuff that you can purchase. Lady Tammy, thank you so much for promoting the show. Sue, thank you so much for promoting the show. You ladies are awesome. I lost my train of thought.
Sorry. A lot going on behind
there is a lot. Stacy, thank you so much for promoting the show. Where was I? Oh, the Buy It Now shop. Yes, and that's how you get into there. Stacy, thank you so much.
Gotcha.
There's two ways to bid this evening. You're going to hear myself and Jeremy say, run it. Community boost has been activated. Woo, woo. Dana says, choo, choo. You can either swipe right to bid, or you can click on custom bid, type in the highest amount that you're willing to bid on the item, click on submit, and you're good to go. Just make sure you bid accordingly. Make sure you bid responsibly. Gold Sale says Patriots or Seattle. I don't know. I'm not sure. That's a hard one for me. We do have a rewards club program available. If you look at the top of your screen, there's a golden square with a crown icon in the center. If you click on it, it explains the different tiers that you can unlock. Ollie just unlocked the gold tier. Whoop, whoop. That's awesome, Ollie. It explains the different tiers you can unlock throughout the season. It also explains the amount of coupons you can earn along the way. You do have to redeem your coupons before the season ends. So unfortunately, they don't roll over. So make sure you keep an eye on when the season ends and when to redeem your coupons. And then if at any time you have any questions, concerns, or issues with your Whatnot order, please make sure you message us directly here on the Whatnot app so that we can best assist you. All right, tonight we're going to do 100 lots. And then after the 100 lots, we're going to auction off our hoodies. This says SpongeBob and it is embroidered. And then on the back, it says, I can't read the back.
It says, welcome to paradise in Bikini Bottom. You're nowhere near showing it.
And then it says good vibes only. All right, let's go ahead and start off with lot number 1. If you guys watched our video, we found a huge store of crystals, geodes, and all kinds of crystal rocks. And this, if you guys remember, this was in the unit as well. Thank you to those that are making a purchase out of our buy it now. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 1, it's on a stand. 3 flowers.
Go.
3 different polished stones. It's cute. Oh, Roman Noodles is in the house. Roman Noodles.
Roman Noodles.
How are ya? We've been praying for you. All right, Jeanette is in. Lot 1 is running. We got this flower, and this flower.
They're beautiful.
They are very pretty. And sold to
Jeanette.
Jeanette. Jeanette, you got it for $43.
Lot number two. By the way, this is what the back of the hoodie actually looks like. So I'm actually in the camera where George was. Hi, lot number 2 just for you. Lot number 2 just for you. Check that out. We've got some wire and some crystals there as well. Little tree going on there. Little action. Let's run it. Lot number 2. And she's frozen. But don't worry, we're in Florida. She'll thaw really quick. She'll thaw really, really quick. Lot number 2 just for you. And here we almost and go. Hey, and dipping now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit faster, you know what I mean. Hey, and 17, dipping now 19, now 25, dipping now 25, now 35, dipping now 35, what about where Randy's tie? Hey, and 35, we're at 31, dipping now 35, last call. And Pickle Tink, you bought it. Congratulations.
All right. Lot number 3, if you liked that one, you're going to love this one. This is that beautiful wired art with some polished stones right there. And then there's the base. There's the bottom. There's a nice little slice. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 3.
It's running.
Lot number 3. It's the tree. It's the beautiful tree. All right. Katie's in. Pickle Tink is in. Dana's in. Security Ninja is in. Pickle Tink is back in.
I see Debbie Burpee.
Burpee's in the house and sold to Pickle Tink. You got it for 50.
Is Burpee burping? Lot number 4. Remember that tie is like at 22. 22. Lot number 4. This is a heart just for you. This is what you people make my heart do. Except I got a little hole, but it's filled with sparkly, shiny things. Hi, it's a heart. And let's run it. And to be now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit faster, you know what I mean. Whereas 65 75 now 85 to be now 85. Last call. And Lady Unicorn, you bought it.
All right, lot number 5. This thing is cool. This was featured in the video. It almost reminds me of like a fish, but it's a heart shape. And then you can see the geode in there. There's the back. It also comes with the stand, just like this. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 5.
Make sure you say what they sell for.
Yep, that's what I've been doing.
I forgot.
All right, here we go.
That's beautiful.
Doesn't it remind you of a fish? That like that looks like scales. And then there's the tail, like that. And then it comes with the stand. Yeah, it does. It does. Like crossed over.
Yeah.
All right. Snowflowers in the shells. Snowflowers back in. Snowflowers. Last call. Oh, Michelle. Snowflowers. Sorry again. Sunflower. All right. Oh,
Snowflower, lot number 6, lot number 6, snowflower. You make you wanna just jump on the ship and go sail. Go sail away, sail away, sail away with me. This is the night. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. All right, double sided right there. You know what? We should look under here. Sometimes that's not money. All right, super cool tonight. And of course, I just messed up the package. But I'll get it back together for you. And let's just run it. Let's run it.
It's running.
Here we go. Hey, and now one up forward. We're at the top.
all right. Lot number 7. Lot number 7. Any Coca-Cola? I know. Too. It is a salt and pepper set. It comes just like this. There is a little bit of just plastic together. Let's run it. Lot number 7.
It's running.
Oh, did someone just unlock the gold here?
Woo!
That's awesome. Thank you, Gail. Thank you. Darcy, we're at 61. We're at 61. Pickle Tink is in. We're at 71. Robin Bear. This is a cute little set. I love the presentation. Love, love, love. Pickle Tink is in.
2 seconds.
Last call and sold to Pickle Tink. You got it for 81.
If you need an emotional support whopper, we got it. It's Ooey. It's gooey. It's an emotional support whopper. Lot number 8. Lot number 8. And it's hilarious. Hilarious. All right, let's run it. Hey, and now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, and 7, 8, a little bit more. We're at 5, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Dipping now 17, 19, now 25, how about 21? Lots of fun. Now 25, dipping now 25, 29, so fine. Dipping now 20 for 35, 35, 35, 39, 45, and dipping now 45, Chibi's in at 43. I would if it were me. Hey, and 47, just like Whopper Heaven. Chibi, you bought it. $43.
Nice. Mary, thank you so much for the tip. All right, lot number 9. If you wanted to get your hands on that, I've got another one. It says squeeze me. It's a swoosh burger. Ooey gooey. Now the package on this one ripped a little bit, but the actual emotional support squeezy burger is fine. Let's run it. Lot number 9.
It's running.
All right, who wants an ooey gooey?
That's the only other one we have.
Yeah,
we
this
got
is the last
no
one.
others.
Look, there's the eyes, and then it's kissing you. It's blowing kisses, and then it's got the little arms right there. Is it edible? No, it's not edible. It's
It's
just
there to support you.
But it is incredible.
yes. You squeeze it like that. If you're fidgeting, there's the tomato, the mustard, the lettuce, and sold to Dana. Dana got it for 50.
Hi, lot number 10. Lot number 10. Oh boy, we got a burger again with some fries. Except this is a salt and pepper shaker right there. So they got the bottoms on them. This one looks like it's got a little bit of chipping there. Dr. Crystal didn't doctor it up yet, just so you know. You know what? There's no perfect burger. There's no perfect burger.
Show the bottoms.
I already did show.
No!
Not that bottom.
Let's run it. Let's run it.
It's running.
And salt and pepper shaker right there. You got a little burger and fries. Oh, my milkshake makes all the stalkers come to the schoolyard, especially Crook. Hey, and 35 divide now. Now 45 divide. 45 now 55 divide. 55 divide. Divvy now 55 now 61 to the 1 to the 1. Divvy now 61. 61. Let's have some salt and pepper fun. Hey, and 65 divide. Last call. 65 divide. Hey, and Darcy, you bought it $61.
Nice. Lot number 11. I've got a fantasy pack. Dale Earnhardt, you get the car, you get the plane, you get the boat. This one came out in 1999. Let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
Lot number 11. You get the car. This is cool because I've never seen the car, the boat, and a plane. It's the fantasy pack. All right, who's it going to be? Larry's in at 27. Steven's in. We're at 31. Larry's back in at 39. We're at 43. Michael's in at 43. This is really cool. The fantasy pack. Last call and sold to Michael. You got it for 43. Right, Michael?
Right, Michael. Right. Right, Michael. Right. Right, Michael. Don't hit me again. Don't hit me again. Hi, lot number 12. Lot number 12. Winner circle right here. By the way, we're getting really close to that deposition tie. And it's the Intimidator and his full pit crew right there. Dale Earnhardt, pit crew. They're all in there. Sealed in the package. It's from Herman's collection. Let's run it. Let's run it.
It's
The
running.
Pit Row Series right there, NASCAR. Hey, and it's the Intimidator. Hey, and dibby now, 1, now 2, now 3, now 4. By the 7, a little bit more. Now 45, dibby now 45, dibby now 45, 45. We're at 43, now 47. Hey, it's NASCAR heaven. Hey, and Larry, you bought it $43.
Oh, Jamie said you're one warning away from being grounded
Already?
already.
I twerk one time.
We're only up to number 13.
Look, check it out. 25th anniversary. It's the Silver Anniversary Series. This is limited edition. This is a replica of the 1986 champion of Dale's car. This one came out in 99. Super cool. This is part of Herman's collection. It's still in the package. Let's run it.
It's
You
running.
get-
Number
It
13.
comes on the base, and then you get a trading card right there, and it's part of the Silver Anniversary Series for the 25th anniversary. This is super cool. Super, super cool. All right, Blondie's in. Brenda's in. Brenda's in. Brenda's in at 39. Larry's in at 43. Larry's in at 43. Jeanette came in with the snipe. We're at 47. Jeanette's in at 47. Larry's in the lead. Tennessee Treasure Finder's now in the lead at 56. Last call and sold to Tennessee Treasure Finder. You got it for 56.
Lot number 14. Lot number 14. Check that one out right there. Winner circle again. It's the Silver Anniversary Series. You just got to bid on gold. Now you're getting to bid on silver. Getting to bid on silver. That is Dale Earnhardt, sealed in the case right there. Dale all day. Let's run it with the trading card. Hey, and dibby now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, and 7, 8, a little bit more. 1997. 87, excuse me, 1987. Hey, and 55 divided by, now 65, 75 divided by, dibby now 75 divided by, 75 divided by, 75 now, 81 to the 1 to the 1, dibby now 81 to the 1 to the 1, 81 to the 1 to the 1. Hey, and Monica, you bought it $76.
All right, lot number 15. We got another vehicle, part of the Silver Anniversary Series, limited edition. This one is part of the 1990 champion of Dale. All right, sealed in the package, part of Herman's collection. Let's run it. Lot number 15.
It's running.
Lot number 15. Here we go.
Iconic Good Ranch car.
All right, Melissa's in. Gordon's in. Universal's in. Matt's in. Brenda's in. Universal's back in. Brenda's back in. We're at 43. University's in at 43. We're at 51. Brenda's in at 56. We're at 56. Brenda's in the lead at 56. And sold to Brenda. You got it for 56.
Lot number 16. We got the gold edition, 1999. Limited edition. Look at that. Yeah, that's Earnhardt again, 1999. NASCAR, Dale Earnhardt. 1999 from Hasbro, as you can see right here, sealed from Herman's collection. You're looking at it. You're going to have a chance to own it. And you know what? We're giving away gold tonight. Yeah, gold. Hey, Brenda Rob, hey, your payment failed. Your bank just texted you or emailed you and said, hey, did you just make a purchase from What the Hales? And be like, Hales, yes. And that payment will go through and you'll have no problem. We are giving away gold and a whole bunch of other mystery giveaways here tonight as well. And that's what made me think of it, the gold Earnhardt. Let's run it. Lot number 16, 1999 Hasbro right there. Winner circle, gold limited edition collection. Now, is that real gold? I doubt that's real gold. but we are giving away real gold tonight. Real gold. Hey, and 65 divided by 75 divided by. Divi now 71 to the 1. Now 75 divided by 75 divided by. We're at 81 to the 1 to the 1. Divi now 85 divided by 85 divided by 85 divided going once. Now 91 to the 1 to the 1. Divi now 91 to the 1 to the 1. 91 to the 1 to the 1. Divi now 95 divided by. Divi now 95 divided by 95 divided by. And the collector card. Hey, and sold it. Monica, you bought it. $91.
All right, lot number 17. Look at that. It's the moon. He's got duck lips. He has a duck lips. This one measures about 3.25 from top to bottom. Let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
Lot number 17. It's a flower agate moon. Would this be considered a half moon?
I don't know. Show me.
The stone, the flower agate.
Oh, no, that's rock.
Is it a crescent moon? I thought crescent moon was like a fourth of that. And sold to Michelle. Michelle, you got it for 88.
You know what? Let's do a mystery giveaway in honor of Michelle. Somebody's going to win this mystery giveaway. And tonight we're giving away real gold as well. That is Steamboat Willie gold right there. That is the real deal. Steamboat Willie, Disney gold. This is number 17. Very, very limited run right there. Low number. That's what collectors like. Let's give it a giveaway in honor of Michelle in 3, 2, just like that. Jump up in there, get in the giveaway. All right, lot number 18. We're getting so close to Randy's tie. The deposition tie. We're getting so close to Randy's deposition tie. This is 4 3/4, tip to tip, there on your half crescent moon right there. Blue moon. All right, let's run it. It's what now? It's green. Oh, I'm colorblind. They're telling me it's green, not blue. They're telling me it's green and not blue. Hey, and Divi now 85 divided by. Divi now 85 divided by. Divi now 85. We're at 81. Divi now 85 divided by, and sold it. Sandfitch, $81. You bought it.
All right, lot number 19. Look at this beauty. It's heart shaped.
No.
This one measures at about 3.25 inches. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 19
is running.
Joyber says Jeremy is color challenged. Yes, he is. Yes,
it's not a challenge at all for him. Just ain't see it.
It's like a different shade. Him and I took a blood color blind test together, and what was purple for me was like pink for him. And sold to Michelle. You got it for 77.
Lot number 20. Lot number 20. This is called Apana. Apana. I think that's Arabic for something.
Approximately 3 inches.
Oh, it's not Apana. Apparently that word is approximately. It's approximately 3 inches. You can tell I have no idea what's going on for auction. But what's also going to happen is
J&J just rated us.
Somebody's going to win some gold. Thanks for the raid, J&J. Approximately 3 inches. This little heart stone right here. Let's run it. Lot number 20. Lot number 20. And the deposition tie is coming up at lot number 22. Hey, and Divi now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 7, 8, a little bit more. Hey, and 85 divided by 95 divided by Divi now 105, 105. We're at 101. Divi now 111, 111. Just like heaven, and sold it. Sandfitch, you bought it. $101. All
right, lot number 21. This was featured in the video. Miss Vampris, thank you so much for the tip. This can also be a candle holder.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I mean, it could be a holder of many things.
Yes, but if you put a candle in it, it'll shine through.
Oh, like alabaster?
The light will shine through.
The light would shine through this. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 21. Lot number 21. It's beautiful.
There
it's
we go.
Beautiful.
It's running.
It could be a candle holder to flash the light in it.
Ooh, it does.
Hey now. We're testing it live. This is so awesome.
Cool.
And sold to Michelle. Michelle, you got it for 90.
All right, at the request of Nick Ricada, the Godfather's Law Tube. The Godfather. Starting it off. This is the deposition tie that Randy Shockett wore during Lynette Preston's deposition. This is fine Italian quality. Randy dropped it off personally here at the schoolhouse. He said, you know what? I heard somebody is interested in that tie. I want you to auction it off. I want you to auction it off. Now, we are just under $500,000 right now in legal fees to get these freaks to stop. So this tie is going to go a long way. Is Nick in the chat? Is Nick better be in here. This is his request.
Or his proxy.
But you don't have to let him win it. All right, let's run it. Lot number 22. Lot number 22. This is Randy Shockett's tie from a deposition with none other than Lynette as her mom died. Proof do you have that your mom died? My mom didn't die. Hey, and give me now 75 divided by 85 divided by. Give me now 91 to the 1 to the 1. Give me now 95 divided by. Give me now 9 101 101. Give me now 101 111. Give me now 111 111. Give me now 111. Now 121 to the 1 to the 1. 121 to the 1 to the 1. Give me now 131 to the 1 to the 1. Give me now 131 to the 1 to the 1. 141 141. Give me now 141 to the 1 to the 1 to the 1. 141 to the 1 to the 1. Snowflower! Snowflower, you just won this. I don't think Nick Ricada is Snowflower. $131. You bought it.
Nice, nice. I'm going to be nosy. Snowflower, what are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with it? All right. Lot number 23. Lot number 23. I've got this National Guard.
We need a picture of
keep an
Snowflower
eye on
wearing it.
Yeah. Now, this was purchased last week by Timothy. Timothy, are you in the chat? And he's like, you know what? Donate it back. So this was purchased and donated back by Timothy, and it's going back up for auction. Janhar just won the giveaway. Let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
Let's go ahead and run it. Dale Earnhardt Jr. It's Junior. All right, here we go. Rich Chris's and Cheese in. New in the box. New in the package. All right, Rich Crust is in. Rich Crust is in. Valerie is in. We're at 35. Last call and sold to Valerie for 35. You got it.
Lot number 24. Since my baby left me, found a new place to dwell.
This has been purchased and donated back at least 6 or 7 times.
Elvis doesn't want to leave the building.
Elvis is in the building. Now, this has been purchased. Rizilla purchased it, donated it back, said keep it, paying forward. There is a little bit of tear on the box, but Elvis has never left the building yet. Let's run it. Lot number 24. By the way, if you're a high bidder, you don't have to donate it back. You can do whatever you want with it. Hey, and divvy now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit of advance, you know what I mean. And 25 divided by 25 divided by. Give me now 25 divided by. Now 29. 29 so fine now. 45 divided by. Give me now 45 divided by. 45 divided by. 43. Just, I would if it were me. Now 47. And Sandfitch, you bought it. $43. Nice. Congratulations.
All right,
Sandfitch.
next up, lot number 25, the infamous autographed
The
banana
The
by
ugly.
Star. There it is right there. You see baby salt, Princess Pepper. It's not here in the flesh. It'll be mailed from Ohio. If you choose to keep it, or if you want to keep the trend going, you can purchase it, donate it back. Let us know. Lot number 25. Let's run it.
It's running.
I guess I'm calling 25. And divvy now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little bit more. That's my banana. That thing stretches up to 6 feet. And it has stars. Autograph on it. Hey, and divvy now 25 divided by. Divvy now 25 divided by. 25 now 35 divided by. Divvy now 35. 35. We're at 30. Divvy now 35 now 45 divided by. 45 divided by. It's still alive. Hey, and divvy now 42. I would if I were you. And 44. Divvy now 50. 55 divided by. Divvy now 55 divided by. We're at 50. Divvy now 55 divided by. 58. That'd be great. We're at 54. Divvy now 58. 58 now 59. So fine now 65 divided by. Divvy now 65 divided by. 65 divided by. Lady QH. You bought it. $59. 59. I took my shoe off. I don't know why I did that to auction that off, but I did. All right. All right. Nice. Stars autograph. $59. Now, I don't know exactly what that is. I'm guessing some kind of granite or marble. All I know.
It's pretty.
It's incredible. I got huge hands. I can palm a basketball. And that almost fits in my full. All right. And it's approximately 3 inches height. 3 inches height by 3 and 3 You know what? It's just big. Let's run it. Lot number 26. Lot number 26. It's huge. Hey, did we now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, and 7, 8, a little bit more now. 35, 45, 45, 45, 55, 55, 65, 55, 75, 75. Now 95, 95, 95, 95. Did we now 95, 95. We're at 93. Did we now 98? Yeah, be great. And Connie. Law, Connie, you bought it $93.
Breaking news, everyone. Lady Q says, donate it again. Donate it.
Whoa!
Write us to
yeah.
let us know.
Make sure you send us a message directly here on the app. Stars Banana is going to go up for auction for the 9th time.
And then we're still giving away gold. That is a gold Disney Steamboat Willie coin.
Oh, same for the tie. They say resell. All right. Message us. Sandfitch says message sent. Elvis is not leaving the building. All right. So all three were donated back.
They need to write us. Let us know.
Yeah. So make sure you message us and let us know. All right. I got another skull, you guys. Got another skull.
Get Randy in here to sell his own tie.
Look at how full this one is. This one is approximately 4 inches. 4 inches going this way.
Beautiful.
Look how cool that is. It's like blue. It's got blue and some grays and some browns, and it's awesome. Ellie Mae, thank you so much for your purchase out of her buy it now. All right, let's go ahead and run this. Jeanette,
it's right.
I need one for my son's birthday. This thing is cool. Look, and it even has all its teeth. It's awesome. It is awesome. All right, Deborah's in. Jeanette's in. Cameron's in. Does it come with a brain? Good question. That's a good question. All right, Obi's in. We're at 115. Pickle Leather Works is in at 125. We're at 125. Obi jumped it up to 135. We're at 135. Obi came in with the snipe. We're at 135 and sold to Obi for 135. You got it.
Hey, lot number 28 is going to be great. Just a reminder, we are giving away gold. You can win gold here tonight. And lot number 28. Pretty much the same size as the others. Look at that beautiful yellow. Green. I'm colorblind. And green. It's approximately 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, which I don't understand because it's definitely not a circle. But hey, I'm just selling it. Let's run it.
It's running.
That's how big it is in my palm.
Is it cold? Because it looks like jade.
They're all cold.
It's probably, I don't know if it's jade or not. I'm not a specialist. I should probably not say something. Hey, and now 95 divided by. We got more Raiders. 95 divided by Raiders. We're giving away gold. We are giving away gold tonight. That is Steamboat Willie Disney gold. Hey, and 105. Michelle, you bought it. $100. Congratulations.
Would this be considered a What the Hale's after party?
Yes, this is definitely. We're having cookies. And definitely a party.
Gina's making cookies in
You guys can smell it.
It smells
amazing.
In the air fryer.
We have pizza. We have cookies.
All right, here we go. We got another skull. This one's about 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. Let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
It's honey calcite.
He's kind of got a fat head.
So Ninja Gina's doing something she's never done for the very first time tonight, and that is baking cookies in an air fryer.
I don't like it.
She's saying she don't like it.
She's not happy.
Is it going to taste delicious? And sold to Michelle. You got it for 100.
You know what? It doesn't have to be nice presented, Gina. Just because you're Italian, just put it in your mouth. Look at that. Is that granite? Is that granite or is that marble? I'm not sure, but it is huge. It's gorgeous is what it is.
Zebra Jasper.
It's crazy awesome. All right, let's run it. Lot number 30. Lot number 30, about the same size as the others. About 3 1/4, 3 1/2, somewhere in there. Hi, check that out. Check that out right there. Hey, and 55 divided now 65 divided. Dibby now 85 divided. We're at 75. Dibby now 81 to the 1 to the 1. Dibby now 81 to the 1 to the 1. Pickle Leatherwork, you bought it. $76. Congratulations.
All right, lot number 31. I've got another skull. I believe this is the last skull of the night.
Oh, no.
This is the last skull that we have found in the unit this week. Look how awesome that one is.
But we still have a giant 15-pound tower.
It looks like he's got a scarf on his head.
It's coming. Look at the detail on that. I don't know what that is. It's Jasper with something else. Fire. It's about 3 inches. Let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
This one is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's like 2 in 1.
Looks like he's wearing a
Very
scarf.
cool.
He's
All
cold,
different
but he's
faces.
wearing a little scarf around his
Ninja
head.
needs a Ninja mini oven. I bake. She bakes. Actually, I heard that that's awesome. The Ninja oven. My brother George Church has one. He said it's amazing. All right, Raptor 1 is in and sold to Raptor 1. You got it for
I'm sure
120.
we'll find one in a store.
Lot number 32.
Now that we want
We
one.
probably found a bunch in the storage unit already. Didn't even know it. Lot number 32. I believe that is a Intimidator knife shaped like a kakar. Yes, that is a knife shaped like a kakar. And here's another knife shaped like a knife. So you're getting a twofer tonight. That one's sealed in the package. This one's out of the package. Let's run it. 2 knives for the price of 1. Hey, and do now, 1 now, 2 now, 3 now, 4, 5 and 7, 8, and a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got to be fast, you know what I mean. Hey, and do now, 35 and a 5 and a 5, now 45 and a 5 and a 5.
Is it a transformer?
It could transform if you want it to. Hey, and 55 and a 5 and a 5, 55 and a 5 from a car to a knife, from a kakar to a knife. Hey, and Rob Pate's in the lead. Dibby now, 61 to the 1 to the 1. Rob Pate, you bought it. $56. Congratulations.
All right, lot number 33. I've got a Zippo.
Oh,
You get the collectible tin, and then inside you get the paperwork, and then there's the Zippo. Look at the back. That sticker means it's never been opened. It's brand new. There's the bottom. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 33.
It's running.
Dale Whiter. Never been opened, never been struck. All right, Waglum's in. Melissa's in. Waglum's back in. Sherry's in. We're at 42. 42 for you. Larry is in. We're at 46. We're at 46. Last call and sold to Larry. You got it for 46.
Now, just a reminder for everybody just jumping in, we're still giving away gold tonight. That is a gold coin, 0.9999 gold right there. We've got airplane models. We've got NASCAR. We've got amazing Muppets. And we've got all kinds of crystals and towers and geodes and the whole thing right there. Look at that. I don't think this thing has ever even been out of the package. Officially licensed NASCAR. I don't think it's ever been struck. Let's run it. Let's run it. It's going to come with the packaging. With the packaging. Part of Herman's collection. He loved it. Now you can love it too. Look at that. The Intimidator. Hey, and dibby now. 35 and 5 and 5. 35 and 5 and 5. Now 45 and 5 and dibby now. 55 and 5 and 5. We're at 51 dibby now. 55 and 5 and 5. 55 and 5 and 5. We're at 51 dibby now. 55. 55. 55. And Waglum, you bought it. $51. Congratulations.
Lot number 35. I've got a watch. I've got a Dale watch. Looks just like this. Most likely needs batteries. Looks like the hands glow in the dark. One's a peace sign. There's the back. Let's go ahead and run it. Comes with this top.
It's running. Number 35.
I'm going to keep this off so that you can see it because there is a glare. All right, here we go. Blondie's in. Matt's in. Melissa's in. Blondie's back in. Chibi and James. Matt's in. Chibi's in. James is in. We're at 27. Cindy's in at 27. Cindy. Larry is in. Larry's in at 31. 31. Last call and sold to Larry. You got it for 31.
Lot number 36. You know what? Before we run lot number 36, let's do a giveaway in honor of Larry. Larry is just an incredible individual. Now, tonight we're going to give away gold, but right now we're going to do a mystery giveaway. So everybody can jump in 3, 2, just like that. All right, lot number 36. Lot number 36. Jump right up in there, getting that giveaway. We got another racing watch right there. There's the Intimidator. I'm going to take the tin off, and there's the watch tucked into the tin. Looks like a little banding might be missing right here. And I'm going to leave that off too so you can see it better. Whew, good thing it's tucked in there. I would have dropped it. I'm so clumsy. All right, let's run it. Let's run it. Probably needs new batteries, or you just keep it in that like that for the collection. And hey, and now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got to be fast, you know what I mean. Hey, and 15, 17, 19, 25 and a 5 and a 5. Dibby now 25 and a 5 and a 5. 25 and a 5 and a 5. 25 now 29. 29. So fine. Hey, and 27. All right, Larry, you bought it. All right, they're all saying it's glitching. I'm gonna go take care of the box, so it's all you.
All right, lot number 37. Check this out. Check this out. This is cast iron.
Can you put it on
Cast iron.
or off of Wi-Fi?
I think it is off. I don't think I'm connected. There is a little bit of rust on the bottom, but the wheels do spin. The propellers do spin. Again, this is cast iron. It's probably about 9.5 inches top to bottom. And then from wing to wing, it's about 12.5. 12.5. All right, let's go ahead and run it. I apologize if it's lagging for anybody.
Running.
We may have to update the app real quick. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Can you double check the giveaways? Make sure international's included.
Mhm.
All right, here we go. Stephen Mills in. Mac Mom is in. We're at 43. Last call and sold to
I can't
Mad
look
Mac
until
Mom.
after
You
this
got it
one's
at
over.
443. All right, lot number 38. Lot number 38. We've got another. Can you bring me 39, Gina? All right, we got another model, Southwest model. This is made out of plastic, and it does come with a stand. Does come with the stand. This is what the stand looks like. It's wood, and then it's metal, and then you put it on the stand just like that. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 38. Lot number 38.
It's running.
All right, if we're glitchy, give us just a sec. Jeremy's checking on a couple things. And then I'm going to try and see if I need to update the app real quick while we're live. All right. Ridge is in. Ridgecrest is in. Rob is in. Ridgecrest is in. We're at 86. Ridgecrest is in 86. Last call and sold to Ridgecrest. Thank you for your first purchase. All right. Lot number 39. We've got another model, Southwest model. This one is huge.
They're saying these retail for over 300 online.
20. It's about 22 inch, approximately 22 inches in length, probably about 22.25. There is some vintage dust. We believe that the previous owner was given this model as part of his retirement. It does come with the stand. It's wooden and metal, and then that's where you hook it up. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 39.
It's running.
Lot number 39. Lady Tammy says there's no app updates in the App Store. There might be for Android. We'll double check. Are we still lagging?
Mine should automatically, but it may not have.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't. Ridgecrest, double check your payment method. Your bank may have sent you a text or an email. Just let them know that, yes, that was you who made your first purchase here on Whatnot with What the Hales. All right, and sold to Rob. Rob, you got it for 173.
Lot number 40, cast iron. You saw one already. This is the last one. We found two. That one has no sticker on the bottom, even though the other one did. Super cool. This is from the Air Force pilot who then became a commercial pilot for Southwest. And you just bid on his retirement gift. Well, let's run it. Super heavy, super cool. Wheels spin. I know you're saying we're lagging. It could be just Whatnot's lagging. We're doing everything we can. And we're on Deanna's phone. Who's your cell coverage?
Anybody that's closest.
But who's your actual self coverage?
I don't know.
Hey, and divvy now 75 divide 75 divide now 81 to the 1 to the 1. Deanna doesn't know who her cell coverage is.
I don't.
That's concerning. Hey, and Mama Cat, you bought it $76.
All right, lot number 41. Lot number 41. We've got this stand, and it's a butterfly, and I believe his eyeballs are missing. But that's fixable. You can bedazzle their eyes to whatever you want. And then on the stand, you can put the little wings. Debbie just won the giveaway. Congrats, Debbie. You get the wings. The wings look like this. They look like this. Well, once you put it in the stand, I don't want to put it in the stand. It makes me nervous. But you get all three pieces for one money. So let's run it. Lot number 41. Lot number 41.
It's running.
All right, we may have to get on your phone.
I'm through Pure Talk, which is whoever is closest.
All right, this is a beautiful piece. You get the wings and then you get the stand, and it looks like a butterfly once it's assembled. And sold to Michelle. Michelle, you got it for $154.
How you going to transition over to my phone midway through an auction? Just a reminder, we're giving away gold. Gold. How is it getting better? Is it not as glitchy? You guys tell us.
Is it getting better?
In the auction. All right. You got a fairy right there who has these wings that go on display as well. Okay, you see the detail on the wings right there. And there's two wings. Looks like there's a little chipping right there on the edge, if you can see right there. So these wings go on like this, and it's probably pretty dangerous for me to hold this entire fairy up with the wings, because we all know I'm a bit clumsy. But hey, it looks a little something like that on display. All right, is still bad glitch. Glitchy. I'm sure it's probably her coverage. I think it's her coverage. How are you going to transition over to my phone from this phone?
We've got full bars.
All right, let's run it.
It's running.
Hey, and now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit faster if you know what I mean. Hey, I'm 55, 75, 75, 85, 95, 95, hey, and 105, 135, 145, hey, and 151, 161, 171 to the 1 to the 1, 171 to the 1 to the 1. We're at 161. Michelle, you bought it. 161. Okay.
Use AT&T network.
All right, they're saying it's hard to see the items.
I believe it.
The only thing I can think of is we restart the show.
Or you take her off the internet and just put her on her actual.
She's not even, hang on a second.
Put her on the internet.
Hook up to the Wi-Fi real quick. Maybe that'll make a difference because it doesn't look like you are. Please hold, guys, while we switch.
Oh my gosh.
While we switch. Uh-oh. Oh, don't move. All right, hang on a sec, guys. We're going to try and refresh real quick so that you don't get the lagginess on the phone.
All right, you guys can blame me. Is that any better or is that worse? It's probably worse. Okay. How do you go on mine when we're already started?
Well, we're going to have to
No, that's
restart the
better.
show.
Yeah, but it doesn't do anything. It doesn't hurt anything.
Better.
All right, it's better.
Okay.
All right, it's better. We'll keep rolling with it.
All right. Is that better? Better? Okay, they're saying better. All right, here we go. We've got another butterfly right there. Butterfly right there. And then this one does come with the stand. It's probably approximately 7 inches in width. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 43. Lot number 43 comes with the stand. Comes right on the stand right there. It's a really heavy piece. It's really nice. All right, peach moonstone. It is gorgeous. All right, they're saying way better. All right, so we're off the Wi-Fi now. We're on the Wi-Fi, so hopefully that helped. All right, Kidda's in. Jimmy's in. Kidda's back in. We're at 131. Kid is in at 131. Last call and sold to Kidda. You got it for 131. All right, lot number 44. Look at this beauty.
Holy smokes.
Doesn't that remind you of Superman?
Yes, it does.
Like his Superman's house. Ridge Crusher payment went through. Thank you so much. All right, so this one is approximately 8.5 inches in length. This thing is heavy. It's super heavy. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 44.
44.
Lot number 44. It's huge. It is a ginormous. This thing is. Dana's saying that the giveaways are U.S. only.
Okay, let me check them.
I know we did.
All right, Michelle's in. Thank you, Dana. All right, Celestine is in. Michelle is in. We're at 126. We're at 126. Michelle's in at 126. And sold to Michelle. Michelle, you got it for 126. All right, lot number 45. Lot number 45. This one's about 6 inches. 6 inches in length. Reminds me of Superman. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 45. How do you get into the giveaway? All you have to do is follow us here and whatnot. And then we'll announce when the giveaways are running. Right now, we don't have one running at the moment, but we will announce one shortly. All right, Ridgecrest is in.
All right, I've checked
Oatmeal.
the
The
last
oatmeal.
all of the ones we have in there.
The oatmeal. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, the oatmeal. Blondie says, never mind. Never mind.
Oatmeal does not think such
And
things.
sold to
Oatmeal's the
Ridgecrest
worst.
for
Oh,
99.
oatmeal's the worst?
Yes.
Oh, good thing I didn't have to sell that one. A little bit small, if you ask me. All right, a knife, and we got a knife. What is that? Is that the Intimidator? Boy, if you got a stalker and you need to do some intimidating, boom, shakalaka. Let's pop it out. Let's pop it out. That's a little bit more intimidating than that other thing George had. Check that out. Oh yeah, let's run it. The Intimidator knife set with the box. With the box. Hey, and did we now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit faster, you know what I mean. We're at 55, 65 now, 75, 85, we're at 83. I would if it were me. Now 83. That's, you know, you got the 3 there. Now 85, Rob Pate. You bought it.
All right, lot number 47. Lot number 47. We've got another knife. We have another knife. And it is the sun. It's Junior. Look, it's Junior. And this even has a little bit of flame on both sides.
Nice.
All right. So we're going to try and fix this, but I try to lift the sheath up to show the blade. And the blade's like stuck in there.
We have a ninja. She'll figure
I'm
it
going to
out.
need help.
Well, that's
gonna need
probably
help.
pretty easy. I mean,
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do
Yeah,
it.
don't do
all
that.
right, good point. All right, my dentist would not be happy with that.
All right, we're
I
gonna
was gonna say,
we're
how
gonna
do you
try
tell
and
Jasmine
fix
on
that.
Jasmine
So
would kick
keep
my
that in
butt.
mind. For those of you that are bidding, I just realized that we didn't try and take that off before the auction. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 47.
It's running.
Now you've got Jeremy's DNA. That's right. So now the value is gonna go down.
Yep. This is a reverse auction now.
Down,
Negative
down.
25 divided by 5, negative 35 divided by 5, negative 45 divided by 5, negative 55 divided by 5.
Negative 61, 61, 101. Chibi's in at 61. Last call and sold to Chibi. You got it for 61. Now they're saying clone Jeremy.
Gina, just make cookies in an air fryer. That's what being Italian is about.
Does it still make your taste buds dance?
And gold. And gold.
Or not.
You better get that one. My mouth is full.
Okay. All right. Well, while Jeremy's drooling, I will gladly cover for him. Kate says, sell the cookies. Tammy says,
No, they're not for sale.
rude, grounded cookie teas. There better be cookies in my shipping. Are we allowed to do that? Ship a cookie to every winner? All right, this one's really cool. This one says, like father, like son. You see the etching in there? These are super
Nice.
cool. I think it'd be cool to get one of these of Jeremy. I don't know what pose he'd be doing, but he'd be in it. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 48.
It's running.
Jeanette says, shame on you, Jeremy, for not sharing. Just take one bite. Just don't send crumbs, they said. $100 for some cookies. Hold a light under it. Yeah, it looks awesome with a light underneath it. All right, Rob is in. Do you hear Jeremy's chewing right now all up in my ear? And sold to Rob. Rob, you got it for 51. All right, lot number 49. All right, we've got Junior. Junior, that's Junior right there, right? Car number 8. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 49. Lot number 40.
Look like Junior.
It doesn't, but it says car number 8. See how it
That's
says
not
car number
Junior.
8? Maybe it's because
It's running.
it's his clone. Maybe because it's his clone.
It's
Did
stuck
you
in
get
there
it?
good, huh?
No, not yet.
Okay. Bill says yes, it is Junior. Dawn says yes, it's him. Junior is 88. Junior was 88
And
at
he
one
was
point.
8. But
And
somebody
he was-
else drove 8 too.
He was also 1 at one point. He had multiple numbers. All right, Matt's in. Jeanette's
Junior
in.
gets around.
according to the different numbers on the cards his pops got around too. And sold to Jeanette, you got it for 31.
All right, George is going to go eat some cookies. I've got lot number 50. I got dad and son, I believe. Or, wait, who's 88 again?
That's Junior.
Yep, dad and son, right there, teddy bears. All right, NASCAR teddy bears, right there. We got senior, junior, right there. Look at that, NASCAR. Boom, on the booty. George is going to go ahead and get a cookie or two. All right, let's run it. Lot number 50. Lot number 50. Hey, oh, look at the 3 in the air. And divvy now 15, 17, divvy now 19 now, 25 divided by 25 divided by divvy now 25 now 27, just like heaven. Now 29 is so fine, 29 so fine, 29 so fine. And Larry, you bought it $27. Lot number 51. Lot number 51. You guys ready to have some Madagascar fun? Because it's crazy Madagascar A rock geode right there. Looks like an alien brain. If you look at it like that, you're like, that's aliens. That's definitely aliens. Let's run it. And it has made in Madagascar.
Run him.
You want to know how big it is? That big. That big. About 3 3/4. Like a dragon egg. A busted dragon egg. Hey, and divvy now 95 divided by 95 divided by. We're at 91. Divvy now 95 divided by 96. Now 101. Divvy now 101. 101. Last call 101. And Jimmy, you bought it $96. Congratulations. Lot number 52. Lot number 52. Just for you. I got another dragon egg. Probably from Madagascar. Yep. I think that's the mama dragon egg. That's the mama right there.
Sparkling.
Look at that. All right, let's run it. Lot number 52. Lot number 52. Divvy now. Divvy now. And Septarian Druzy eggs. Huh, maybe. I don't know. And 45 divided by 55 divided by. Just a reminder, we're giving away gold tonight. We're giving away gold. That is 0.999999 fine gold. Hey, and a limited edition Steamboat Willie Disney. Somebody's going to win it. We're at 101. Divvy now 111. 121 to the 1. 121 to the 1. 121 to the 1. 121. And sold it, Lady Unicorn. $101. You bought it.
All right, 53. Look at this beauty.
Ooh.
Look at it. Would you look at it? Does it even geode? Yes, it does. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 53.
It's running.
53. This one's about 3 inches and a quarter in size. It's gorgeous. I love it. It is. It's got like an amber color. All right, Sandwich is in. Kendra's in, or Kenda. Momo is in. Momo is winning.
Sandfish is back.
Sandwich is back in. And sold to Sandwich. You got it for 131.
Good Lord.
Lot number. That's lot number 100. Lot number 100, the biggest tower ever. 15 inches. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. All right, lot number 54. But before we do, let's do a giveaway in honor of all of you. Lot number 54 in 3, 2, just like that. Jump up on there. Jump up on there for the giveaway. It's a free giveaway. It's a mystery giveaway. And keep in mind, we are still giving away gold tonight. Somebody's going to win that gold. That is Disney Steamboat Willie Gold. That's number 17, I believe, out of a very low mintage. Very, very rare. All right, lot number 54. This is approximately 2 3/4 inches in height. 2 3/4 inches in height. You turn there, egg. Turn here, crystals. Look at the sparkle and shine. Let's run it.
It's running.
Lot number 54. Lot number 54. That giant tower. That giant tower is lot 100. Hey, and divvy now 45 and now 55 and 5. Divvy now 55 now 65 and 5, 75 and 5. Divvy now 75, 75, 95 and 5 and 95 and 5. Divvy now 95, 95 now 101. Divvy now 101 now 111, 111. Divvy now 111. Last call. And sold it. Maddie, you bought it. $101. Congratulations.
Lot number 55. Look at this egg. Look at this polished egg. It's a beauty. This one's about approximately 3 inches, a little shy of 3 inches. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 55.
55 is running.
Joyber says Seahawks for the win. Yes, this
Did
is
they
very
win?
pretty.
Did they win?
Are they winning? Welcome, Raiders.
Oh, nice cream.
Are they winning? Who's winning right now? The Water Chickens. They're saying winning. 29 to
I'll
7.
put on the cookie.
29 to 7. And sold to Sandfitch. You got it for 71.
Lot number 56. Oh, man. Sometimes you just got to sit back and have a drink. A Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew year 2000 NASCAR right there. Who that? Oh, that's Junior Stein. Not even out of the box. Let's take a peek. Let's pull it out of the box for the first time ever. Take a peek. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, man. Oh, check that out. Oh, yeah. Let's run it.
It's running.
Hey, lot number 56. I'm going to get this back in here so you can get your fix. Lot number 56. It's the stain of all stains. Oh, yes. It's a beauty. Never even been out of the box before. Hey, and give it now. 35 to 5, 45 to 5 to 5, 45 to 5 to 5. Give it now. 45 to 5, 51 to 1, 51 to 1. Give it now. 51 to 1 to 1, 51 to 1 to 1. Now 55 to 5 to 5 to 5, 55 to 5 to 5 to 5. Give it now. 55. Last call. And Susan, you bought it. $51.
All right, 57. Look how cool this one is. This is part of the Franklin Mint collection. Look at that. This still has the plastic. All right. There's the, I'm going to show you all the way around. Look at the handle. Look at the bottom. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 57.
It's running.
New with the tag. Part of the Franklin Mint collection. I didn't even know Franklin Mint did Steins up until now. Again, the plastic is still here. Plastic is still on top. Looks so cool. Darcy's in at 56. Susan is in. We're at 61. Susan's in at 61. Last call and sold to Susan for 61. You got it.
Lot number 58. It's going to be great. It's Junior. Little bag when you're going out to the racetrack. You got to get your little bag. Take all your little snacks. Well, with George, a lot of snacks.
You're going to need another bag.
Yeah, probably. With George, you're going to need another bag for sure.
With Jeremy, he's always parched. He needs like 10 drinks.
That's because I have to be well hydrated. Hi! I don't think it's ever been used before. It's part of Herman's collection. It's super cool. Let's run it.
He's running.
Hey, and now, lot number 58. It's great. We're giving away gold. Anybody's just jumping in, we're giving away gold. We got gold giveaway tonight. But before we do, we're racing with Junior. We got number 8. It's great. And 35 to 5 to 5. Dip it now. 35 to 5 to 5. We're at 31. Dip it now. 35 to 5 to 5. Last call. 35 to 5 to 5. And Cody Cindy, you bought it. $31.
All right, lot number 59. I've got some cool ornaments. This one's a hood ornament. It's still new in the package. And then we've also got this collectible ornament of Dale right there. Look at that mustache.
That's how you can tell it's Dale.
Would you look at it? You get both of these for $1 monies. Let's run it. We got hood ornament and Dale himself.
Run in.
Ornament, both brand new in the box. You get both for $1 monies. All right, selecting a giveaway winner. Who's it going to be? And Ridgecrest just won the giveaway. Congrats. All right, Delta's in. Susan's in. We're at 35. Jeanette's in at 35. We're at 35. Last call and sold to Jeanette. You got it for 35.
Lot number 60. It's Dale, the intimidator, the narrator, Paul Newman. Yeah, Paul Newman's the narrator on the Intimidator. Right there. Did we check this and see if they're all in there? I'm sure they are. I mean, Herman had an incredible collection. It's probably, yeah, they're in there. They're definitely in there. All right. Oh, this is going to be incredible. For to win, who's going to win it? Let's run it. Lot number 60. Lot number 60. Hey, and to be now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit of advantage, you know what I mean. We're at 13, 15, 17, dipping now 19 now, 25, 35, 35, 35, dipping now 35, 35, now 45. And dipping now 45, 47. Just like NASCAR heaven. Now 51 to the 1 to the 1, dipping now 51 to the 1 to the 1, 55, dipping now 55 to 5 to 5, dipping now 55, last call. And 61 to the 1 to the 1, 61 to the 1 to the 1. Rob Pate, new blood. And Rob Pate, you bought it $56.
Right, 61. We got Muppets, baby. That's right. It's the Muppets babies. Look, he's even popping his collar. He's got a little gator on his shirt.
Is he wearing a little eyes on shirt?
Yes, he is. There's the tag. There's the retail price. It's the Muppet baby. It's little Kermie. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 61.
It's running.
We love Muppets. Muppets are so cool. I know someone who hates Muppets, but we love them. He is wearing a look.
Muppets unite!
Pops collar, baby. All right, Jeanette's and Stephanie's in. Who's gonna get the Pops collar, baby Kermie? It ain't easy being green. That's right, Joy. And sold to Jeanette. Jeanette, you got it for 35.
Do you guys remember the vinyl figures of the Muppet Babies? And one of them was on the tricycle. It was probably Kermit. I remember those as a kid. All right, Miss Piggy from Muppet Babies. Look at that Disney right there. Disney. And this is from Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus collection right there. All right, let's run it. Miss Piggy, Muppet Babies.
It's running.
Oh, Kermie.
That's Kermie's mate.
Yeah, it's Kermie's main squeak. So much better than the antis. Hey, and now 35. I love Muppets. Muppets unite. And they're coming back with a fight. Hey, and now sold it to Joe. First purchase, $34. Congratulations, Joe.
All right, lot number 63.
My favorite.
He was actually tested earlier. He does take batteries. Gina, did you take the batteries out? We just did.
She
put
just
it in.
mooned it. Kelsey just mooned everybody.
But George does
I
like
think
to
he took
say,
the
let's
batteries
show
out.
the back.
Okay. Ninja Gina did put batteries in it. She did test it. He does work. And
He sings the Muppet Baby
he
song.
does. And then you get this guy. He's still new with the tag. There's the retail price right there. You're going to both of these for one money. This one, again, does take batteries. He does work. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot
He's
number
running.
63. It's
Waka, waka, waka.
It's Fozzie Waka. It's the Wazzy Fozzie. I did. I tried to.
Maybe I did.
Yeah, I think you did. All right, Mojan's in. You get both of them. It's Fozzie times 2. It's Fozzie squared and
Mojang.
sold to Mojang. You got it for 69.
Lot number 64. Oh, yeah, I know you all want Gina's cookies. And so does this guy. He's got a backpack of cookies right there. He actually will eat the cookies. He was eating my, I don't know how, we'll see how it goes here. And
He said cowabunga.
he said, cowabunga, he want cookie. Hi, let's run it. And then the cookies go back in his backpack right there. Hi. Hey, and now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 7, 8, a little bit more. 25 at a buy, 25 at a buy, 35 at a 45 at a buy. Come on, Cookie Monster, sell it. Hey, and 65 at a buy, divvy now 75 at a buy, divvy now 75, and Jeanette Bab, you bought it $64.
Lot number 65.
Don't
Look at
know.
this guy. Look at this guy. He's new with the tag. There's the retail price right there. And then you also get him. He's also new with the tag.
Oh, it's Deuce.
You get
It's
Gonzo.
Deuce.
Gonzo Muppet Baby right here. 2 for 1 money. Let's run it.
It's running.
It's Gonzo squared.
He's cute. That can't
He is.
be
He's
Deuce.
wearing chili pepper. He is wearing chili pepper.
I also kind of like Beaker.
Beaker's cool too. It's Gonzo. The little one has funny eyes. Yeah, he does. All right, Sandfitch is in. Dana's in. Sandfitch is back in. We're at 66. Sandfitch is in the lead. Last call and sold to Sandfitch. You got it for 66.
My favorite animal. Ah! Now, did we test him, Gina? We probably didn't know he took batteries.
We couldn't get him.
Oh, we did. Okay, we can't.
Know what to push.
All right.
We put batteries in him and he didn't do anything.
They put batteries in animal. He didn't do anything. They may not know what to push, or he may not work, but you're also getting this animal with the tag, Disney as well. And 2 animals for the price of 1. Ah! Let's run it. Hey, and lot number 66. Deep it down, 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got to be bad, you know what I mean? 9, 45, 55, 55, 55, 65, 75, 75, 85, 85, deep it down, 85 now, 95, 95, Lady Unicorns in at 86, and you bought it. Congratulations, Lady Unicorn.
All right, 67. Look at this guy. This Jeremy says it reminds him of a tie. I think it
Randy's
looks like
tie.
a tombstone.
It looks like a coffin.
Like a coffin, yes. That's what I meant. What did I say? Tombstone. This one's about approximately 6 1/4 in length. Let's go ahead and run it.
But if
Lot
you
number
turn it the other
67.
way, it does look like a tie.
It does. Use your imagination.
If
It could be
you turn it that way, it's a
whatever
tie.
you want. It could be a tie. It's a coffin tombstone.
Oh, I wonder if it stands up like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. If you
It
stand it
could.
like that.
It could. Jenbug, thank you so much for your purchase of flat Jeremy. All right, here we go. Adir's in. We're at 39. Last
Hi,
call.
Adir.
And oh, Momo came in with the snipe.
Everybody know Momo.
Momo's in. Adir's back in. We're at 47. Adir's in at 50. We're at 51. Momo's in at 51. Momo's in the lead at 51. Last call and sold to Momo. You got it for 51.
Momo!
Lot number 68. It's going to be great. It's going to be really good. Trust me. 4 3/4 tall. 4 3/4 tall.
Oh, wow.
And some.
That reminds me of the Goonies.
This reminds me of Crook in the fence every time we drive by and bust a can of biscuits in the bushes. Hi. All right. Peak holes right there. You get it here tonight. Lot number 66. Let's run it. Lot number 66. Let's
That's
run it.
so Goonies.
Oh, yeah. Hey, and dipping down 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit faster, you know what I mean. We're at 45, 45, 55, now 65, dipping now 65, we're at 56, dipping now 61, and Maddie, you bought it $56.
All right, 69. Look at this beauty. Look at how
Ooh.
gorgeous this one is. It's a slice of heaven.
Lord,
It's
bright.
gorgeous. Now this one's about approximately 6 1/4 in length from top to bottom. Let's go ahead and run it. These are beautiful.
It's running.
It is pink dyed agate slab.
Could you imagine putting a light behind that one?
Oh
That'd be
yeah. Where's the
beautiful.
light? Let's do it. Let's do it before the timer runs out.
Ryan,
Look at that. Look how gorgeous.
can you see it?
Oh yeah.
Can you
I
it?
see it. I see it. All right, Momo's in. Last call, and Momo, you got it for 101.
Dip it down. Lot number 70. Lot number 70, about 5 1/4 inches tall. Check that one out.
Ooh,
Check that out.
That's my favorite.
that's
Gina says this is her
beautiful.
favorite right there. Maybe it could be a polar bear going through the tundra. It could be a bear scratching its back on a tree. Let's run it. Lot number 70.
It looks like a beaver to me.
Lot number 7. Okay, it could be a beaver. It doesn't look like a beaver to me. The other one you showed did. All right, and remember, we are giving away gold. We're giving away gold tonight. Somebody's going to win that gold. Somebody's going to win that gold. Hey, and dipping down now, 85 95 dipping down 97. Just like rock heaven. Hey, and 107, dipping down 117, 117, dipping down 117, 117, if you know what I mean. And sold it, Michelle. You bought it, $107. Congratulations.
Lot number 71. Check out this beauty.
What?
Check out this beauty. Look at the back. Look at all the detail on the back.
That's so
That's
nice.
super cool. This one's about approximately 6 inches, 6 1/4, top to bottom. Let's go ahead and run it.
She must have measured it with her knuckle.
It's running.
I did. Maybe I did. What if I did? What if I did measure it with my knuckle? Look how pretty that is. Here's the polished side.
It looks
There's
like a
the
face
raw side.
profile.
Yeah, it reminds me of like an eyeball. I don't know. For whatever reason, it reminds me of an eyeball. All right. Catchins and Kate is in. Kate Hen is in. We're at 91 and sold to Kate. You got it for 91.
Lot number, you know what? Kate, let's do a mystery giveaway in your honor. Now, we are still giving away gold tonight. There's no doubt about it. Somebody's going to win that gold. That is a gold coin. Steamboat Willie. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Low mintage. That is 0.9999 gold. But let's do a mystery giveaway for all you beautiful people in honor of Kate. In 3, 2. Just like that. Hi, lot number 72. It's Star Trek 1993. The Rawcliffe pewter right there. Check that out. Check that out. You know, Tata, if she was still with us, she would be going crazy right now bidding. She would be going crazy bidding. Cute. That's pewter right there. Stands just like that. Hi, let's run it for all you Trekkies. For all you Trekkies. Tata right now would be throwing shibs at me. She'd be throwing shibs. I'm bidding, Jeremy. Shib throwing.
Yeah,
Hand.
she's not that. She wasn't that person anymore. She switched over to her cane.
Oh, she'd be hitting me with a cane. Hand to me now. 65 to the divide. 65 to the divide. All you Trekkies. 65 to the divide now. 71 to the 1 to the 1. 71 to the 1 to the 1. All pewter. Hand. 81 to the 1 to the 1. Divvy now 81. Divvy now 81 to the 1 to the 1. And Jeanette Bab, you bought it. Congratulations. $76.
All right, 73. This
Baby Jesus.
it's baby Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Look at the detail. He's got his hands on her back. On the bottom, it says made in Italy. Can you see that? Made in Italy. All right, let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
You've got baby Jesus, Mary and Joseph, pewter piece made in Italy.
Oh, girl.
It is beautiful.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
All right, Bryce Andy's in. Darcy's in. Sherry is in. We're at 51. We're at 61. Sherry's in at 61. We're at 66. Sherry's in the lead with 66. Last call and sold to Sherry for 66.
Lot number 74. It's the White House. Yes, no joke. The White House, made in the USA. It's pewter. Yep, right there. The White House. You say, Jeremy, are you sure it's pewter? Mm-hmm. See, it's right under there. The White House in full pewter detail.
America.
There's probably even snipers up there ready. Let's run it. Made in the US of A.
It's
And
running.
here we go. Lot number 74. Lot number 74. And we still got a few more for you. We got a giant 15-inch tower. We're giving away gold. Hey, and divvy now 35 divide. Divvy now 35. 35. Now 45 divide. Divvy now 45. 45. We're at 39. Now 45 divide. 47. Just like USA heaven. Hey, and divvy now it's at 43. Momo! $43. You bought it. Congratulations, Momo.
All right, lot number 75.
It's
You just-
the capital.
This is the U.S. Capitol. It may be missing something at the top. I don't know.
A flag.
Not sure. U.S. Capitol. Look at all the detail. Whole pewter piece right there. Made in the USA by Bates, and I think it's pronounced Clink. Clink pewter piece. All right, let's go ahead and run it. U.S. Capitol.
It's running.
U.S. Capitol. Who remembers visiting the U.S. Capitol during their field trip to Washington, D.C.?
I went with my aunts.
The flagpole might be missing. Maybe.
Yeah, it's the flag.
Okay. We found it just like this. All right, Jody Cha-Cha-Cha's in and Momo's in. Lori says me. Amber says me. Lady Tammy says me. Never had a trip there, Dawn said.
U.S. Capitol was the longest tour.
It was.
I was 12.
We spent so much time in the
Forever.
Capitol. All right, Rob is in. Rob Pate is in. We're at 47. 47. Last call and sold to Rob for 47.
My favorite's the Smithsonian.
Lot number 76. It's the Jefferson Memorial. Yes, the Jefferson Memorial right there. You could spend all the time in the world you want there. It's pewter right there. And Bates and something pewter. Made in the USA. Let's run it. Let's run it.
It's running.
Hey, and divvy now 1. Divvy now 1. Let's have some fun. 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little bit more. Divvy now, and 6, 7. Now 8, 9, 10, 11. Divvy now 11. Divvy now 11. Divvy now 11. Divvy now 15, 17. 17 now 19. Hand 19. 19. If you know what I mean. Hand 25 divide. Divvy now 29. 29. 35 divide. 35 divide. 35 divide. 35 now 39. 39. It's USA. Now 43. I probably would if it were me. Jefferson Memorial right there on display. Maddie, you bought it. $39.
All right, 77. We got another made in the USA pewter piece right there. This is the Lincoln Memorial. This is probably one of my favorite memorials. I don't know why.
Yes.
I just love it. I think
Good acoustics in there.
yeah. Maybe it's just the design of the memorial, but it's awesome. Let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
Who else remembers touring this memorial during your DC trip? One of the things I would love to do in DC is visit during the cherry bloom season. The pictures look gorgeous. I bet it's beautiful in person, even more beautiful in person. Mrs. C just won the giveaway. All right, Momo's in the lead. Momo is winning and sold to Momo. You got it for 43.
Washington Memorial in pewter. Man, we got a 15-inch rock that we're
I
gonna.
was gonna say that looks just like
Yeah,
100.
yeah. Lot 100 is 15 inches right there.
But it's
Washington
pewter.
Memorial right there in pewter, not as big as lot number 100. And we're giving away gold still here tonight. Let's run it. Bates and something pewter, made in the USA. Hey, and divvy now, one, now two, now three. Divvy now, one, now two, now three. Divvy now, one, now two, now three, now four, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. 19, 11, 12, 13. You got to be valid, you know what I mean. And 25, divvy now, 25, 35, we're at 31. Divvy now, 35, 35, now 39, now 45, divvy now, 47. This is USA heaven. And last call, and Rob Pate. No! Cindy came in at 47. Divvy now, 51 to the 1 to the 1. And Cindy, you bought it $47. Congratulations.
All right, 79. We got a Dale hat right here. It says, there's the tag right there on the inside. It says, one size fits most. It's got the Velcro adjustment strap on the back. This right here says, Forever the Man. It is embroidered. The number 3 is embroidered. If this isn't new, it was definitely gently loved. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 79.
It's running.
Forever the Man. I thought he was the Intimidator.
He is.
So how can he be Forever the Man? Which one is it?
It's both.
Which one is it?
It's both.
Seahawks win? The Seahawks won? Oh, Preparing says, I got the same hat on now. Awesome.
Nice.
That's awesome. Send us a pic. All right, Susan's in the lead and sold to Susan. You got it for 47.
Lot of 80. It's the Intimidator.
No, Kalina, Jeff Gordon's your man.
It's the Intimidator. I don't think this was ever worn, to be honest, until now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's run it. Lot number 80. It's got the snapback. I'm pretty sure you can just adjust it
It's running.
right there. And I even put it on once for you. Now it won't sell, probably. Hey, and divvy down 1, now 2, now 3, now 4. That'd be funny if it just sold for 3. Hey, 300. Hey, and divvy down 25, 35, 35. Hey, and 35 now, divvy down 45, 55. I was joking about the 300. Don't do it. Hey, and actually, some of these are worth thousands, but I don't know what this one's worth. Now I do now. It's worth $51. Wendy, you bought it.
All right, 81. We've got the International Motorsports Hall of Fame. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. There's the drivers right there for the Hall of Fame tribute.
See, that's who I thought that guy was.
Which
One
one?
on the end.
This one?
Mm-hmm. That's who I thought.
Oh,
was in that
yeah.
end.
I could see the resemblance. I could see how you thought that. All right. New in the box. There's the, where's the scale? There's the scale right there. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 81.
It's running.
It's the Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame. You get 5 cars, and then
There's the drivers.
there's the drivers right there. We got Dale Jr., Senior. Who was that? Menard? Am I reading that right?
Mhm.
All right. Shannon's in. Shannon's in the lead and sold to Shannon. You got it for
Nice.
43.
Lot number 82. Winner circle just for you. Coca-Cola. What? Yeah, Coca-Cola Earnhardt right there.
It's the man.
Coca-Cola Earnhardt right there. You got number 1 Coca-Cola, number 3 Coca-Cola right there. In the packaging still Hasbro. And let's see, what was the date on it? 1999. Let's run it. Lot number 199.
It's 1999.
Yeah, hang on, guys. We're getting really close to giving the gold away. We're giving the gold away still. Somebody's going to win it, going to go home with it. Hey, and 45 divide. Divvy now 45 now, 55 divide. 55 divide. 65 divide. Divvy now 61 to the 1 to the 1. 61. And sold it. Susan, you bought it. $56.
83. We've got a deck of cards. It's two decks of playing cards. It's Dale Jr. right there. There's the back. This part right here, there is a crease in it. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 83.
83 is running.
It's the hood of a car. I like the collectible tin. Again, you get 2 decks of playing cards. It is Dale Jr. And there is a little bit of damage to the cardboard right there. This came out in 2005. 2005. All right, Pickle Tink is in. Pickle Tink is in the lead and sold to Pickle Tink. You got it for 23.
Lot number 84. It's NASCAR and more. That's Junior right there, sealed in the box right there. NASCAR cards in the box. And boom! You want to see what it looks like? That's what it looks like. I'm not taking them out. Not doing it. I don't want to decrease the value for you. Let's run it. Lot number 84. Lot number 84. We are so close to that 15-inch tower obelisk. Biggest piece of stone I've ever seen in my life. We could call it the Washington Memorial. Hey, and dipping now 25 at a buy, 25 at a buy, dipping now 25 at a buy, 25 at a buy, and sold it. Gorf, $21, you bought it.
All right, 85. I've got another pewter piece, but it looks painted. It's George Washington. George Washington on the back. It says George Washington. Pretty sure it says Mount Vernon, VA, pewter right there. He's got like a little stamp on his lower back that says pewter. All right, let's go ahead and run it.
It's running.
It's George Washington. Part of the paint is chipping, but it's still really cool. Still really cool. All right, Juma's in. Lot number 85. Here we go. George Washington pewter. All right, Hangry is in. Hangry's in the lead. Jody Cha-Cha-Cha came in with the snipe. We're at 17. Now we're at 21. Mama Cat's in at 21. Loretta is in at 25. Mama Cat's back in at 27. We're at 31. Loretta's in at 31.
Baby, do I say milk funny? Debbie Vaughn says I say milk funny.
Sometimes. And
Yeah.
sold to Mama Cat. You got it for 35.
You should hear me say pillow. Hi! I did it right that time. 1986. Statue of Liberty pewter. You want to hear me say obelisk? Obelisk. All right, 1986 Statue of Liberty right there, full pewter. Lady Liberty. My country, 'tis of thee. Run it! Lot number 86. Sweet land of liberty, let freedom ring. Hey, and dip it now. 35 at a buy. 35 at a buy. 35 at a buy. Land where my... How's the rest of it go, George?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's because you're a foreigner. Hey, and 45 at a buy. Dip it now. 40.
Born here.
So you say. Hey, and 51 to the 1. I know the Ren and Stimpy version. Our country reeks of trees. Our yaks are very large, and they smell like rotten beef carcasses. That was Ren and Stimpy. Rob Pate, you bought it. $51. Congratulations.
Right. Lot number 87. I have another pewter piece right there on the back. What's it say? Nicholas Nickelberry, maybe.
Debbie says I do lots of weird things, but that's why she adores me.
Nichols. It says Nicholas Nickleby, and then on the bottom it says exquisite. All right, let's go ahead and run it. Nickleby.
It's running.
Kalina says, I love Ren and Stimpy. Happy, happy, joy, joy.
Yeah, happy, joy,
That's the only one-liner I know from Ren and Stimpy. Happy, happy,
Nicholas
joy, joy.
Nickleby is a novel by Charles Dickens.
I used to have the full Ren and Stimpy album.
Did you?
Yeah, well, back then it was on cassette.
All right, Jody Cha-Cha-Cha's in. Rob is in. He's supposed to be like a little cup, and sold to Rob for 25.
Yeah, back then it was on a cassette tape. I mean, you can't even find cassette tapes anymore unless you're in storage units.
I can show you one.
All right, Unicorn, Roger Gibbs, WAP UK, whatever that means. I don't know. They made me notes. Ooh, look at that. Look at that little crystal there. Okay. All right. Oh, was that a unicorn? And oh, the horn kind of bent off on the pewter. I think that is a unicorn. You can either
Or maybe he's got Elvis hair.
stretch.
I thought it was Elvis hair.
No, I think that's a unicorn with the horn missing. Just so you're aware, I think the horn is missing right there, but you can probably fix it up a little bit. Knowing you guys, you'd know exactly what to do. Let's run it. Let's run it.
Running.
And to be now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. I mean, you could comb it over just to make it just like hair, file it off a little bit. You could melt it and stretch it because pewter is just so soft. Well, you could probably put more pewter on it. You could probably even solder some pewter on it. Hey, and to be now 23. Laura, you bought it $23.
All right, 89. We got another pewter piece. Does this guy look familiar? On the bottom it says Disney.
It's like the third pig.
Walt Disney Productions. It's the practical pig. It's Hudson pewter. I wish I had the whole set. He's the only one. He's the only one. Let's go ahead and run it. It's the practical pig.
It's okay. The other two didn't work anyway. That's the only one that did work.
Look, he's building the house that's going to get
Brick.
blown down.
You can't blow down his house.
He built his house out of brick, the practical pig. So before Porky, yeah, probably. And sold to Darcy. You got it for 25.
Let's do a little giveaway in honor of Darcy. By the way, we're about 10 lots away before we give away this gold. Yeah, somebody's winning Steamboat Willie Disney Gold. These things are so cool. And before we do that, let's do a mystery giveaway. In 3, 2. Hi, lot number 90. This is Louis Armstrong. Oh, yeah. Pewter Louis Armstrong right there. Let's run him. He's looking fine and divine. That man could play and sing. He had a voice. Man, I wish I had a raspy voice like that. I don't. Hey, and now 1, now 2, now 3, now 4.
He did a wonderful work.
Oh my goodness, wonderful world. Oh, you can't do justice that some of these guys, these old timers, did to some of these songs. Wonderful world, yeah. You can't replace him. He's just incredible. Hey, and 35 divide.
Pretty good with Hello Dolly too.
Yeah, hello Dolly. That was yeah.
But wonderful.
Hey, and 43. Divvy now 43. And Joyce, you bought it $39. Congratulations.
All right, we got Chewbacca. It's a Chewbacca plush. This one is the Candy Craving Chewbacca. Still has the tag. There's the retail price right there. But wait, there's more. There is more. Look, you get the little itty bitty Chewbacca. Look how cute that
He
is.
likes candy too.
He does love candy. There's the retail price. Look how tiny he is in comparison to this one. Look, you get both of these for one money. Let's run it.
Me.
It is 91. Let's run it.
It's running.
He's so cute. Yes, he is. Yes, he is adorbs. And I love the little candy around their strapped around their chest. All right, Larry's in. Susan's in. We're at 54. Susan's in at 54. Last call and sold to Susan. You got it for 54.
Lot number 92. It's Baby Yoda just for you from the Mandalorian. But not only one Baby Yoda, 2 Baby Yodas with the tags. 2 Baby Yodas. Bye, Yoda, you will. Hey, and now, let's run it. Lot number 92. Lot number 92.
You gotta sing it.
Man, I'm in a swamp down in Dago Bar where it bubbles all the time like a carbonated soda. SODA soda. All right, that's enough. We only got 3 more seconds. Yoda. Jody, cha-cha-cha. $47. Congratulations, Jody.
Never heard that song until
That's
Jimmy started.
my favorite one he sings.
All right, look.
Yoda.
Look how cute.
YODA Yoda.
This is Easter for you. I just rocked him, so I made him dirty. All right, and then this one says Plan of 2. Plan of 2 underneath the scarf. All right, you're going to get both of these for 1 monies. Let's run it. They do have the Star Wars tags on the booty right there. All right.
Is that an Easter baby?
Yes. See the little Easter egg?
Oh my gosh.
The basket with the eggs and the cannies.
He's so cute.
It is very cute. It's Easter baby. All right. Jody Cha-Cha-Cha's in the lead. And sold to Jody. You got it for 54.
Lot number 94. We're getting so close to giving away some gold. Rhodian. Well, you guys probably know better than I do. Galactic Pals. This is Rhodian Rhodia. How do I know that? Because I read the back. I read the back. You're probably thinking, Jeremy, you didn't see the movies? George won't go to the movies with me, so I don't get to see any movies anymore.
The last movie we saw was the one we were invited to by the producer.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And we
That
did
is true.
Joey.
That's true. We did. All right. It's in the packaging still. Packaging has a little bit of tear there, and made by Mattel. And let's see if we can see a date. And this is definitely from Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus.
He's like swaddled.
Let's run it. Let's run it.
It's running.
Hey, and now 1 now 2, 1 now 2, 1 now 2, now 3, now 4, 5 to 7, 8, a little bit more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You got a bit faster. You know what I mean. Hey, and Dippy now 19, now 21 to the 1 to the 1, Dippy now 21, 21, now 27. It's Star Wars heaven now. 29's even fine. 35 to the 5 to the 5, Dippy now 35 to the 5 to the 5, 35 to the 5 to the 5, Dippy now 35, now 39, 39. It's going all the time now. 43, I would if it were me. Dippy now 43, last call, and Joyce is in at 43, 47. Star Wars heaven. We're at 43, Dippy now 47. Joycelyn, you bought it. $43.
95. We got another power tower.
Ooh, that one's pretty.
This one is very pretty. We found this one with a wax top. This one is about 9 inches, 9¼ inches, approximately 9¼ inches. There's the bottom. All right.
Chewy's mom.
Chewy's mom. Congrats. Let's go ahead and run this one at 95.
Here we go. Beautiful.
9 and
Oh, we're about to get into the big rocks.
They're gonna get big from here.
They get bigger
They do
the
get
higher
big
we go.
Lot 100 is huge. It's so huge. Chewy's mom says, "Yay, that's me!" Congratulations. All right, Graham's in.
They get way bigger.
Jimmy is in. Jimmy's lead. Pickle Leatherworks is in the lead at 84. And sold to Pickle Leatherwork. You got it for 84.
Lot number 96. Lot number 96. I got another obelisk for you, about 9¼ inches tall. A power tower. Tip is protected. You always got to protect the tip. Protect the tip. Check this thing out. It looks like leopard spots right there. That is so cool.
Gorgeous.
Oh, that is cool. That's cool. All right, let's run it. Power tower. Power tower. Looks like, you know, rocks have imperfections, but this thing is super, super cool. It reminds me of a leopard. Hey, and dipping now 85 at a 5 at a 5. Now 95 at a 5 at a 5. Dipping now 95, 95. Dipping now 95 at a 5 at a 5. Guaranteed to keep fleas away. Or not. Hey, and 125 at a 5 at a 5. 135 at a 5 at a 5. Look, there's a geode spot in there. 135 at a 5. Dipping now 135 at a 5. Sandfit, you bought it. $124.
All right, lot number 97. Look at this one.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this one. Just look at it. Would you look at it? This one is
That's
about
beautiful.
12 inches. 12 inches. The top, it's not so perfect. It looks like it may have been dropped on its head.
Well,
maybe.
it lost its little protective.
It did.
piece
It
of-
looks like there was wax on it at one point and it may have fallen off. But that's how we found it. Let's go ahead and run it. Lot number 97, 12 inches.
It's running. That is beautiful.
Sunny Nurse says no giveaway running. We ran it already and we just picked a winner. But we're going to run the buyer's appreciation giveaway here momentarily. So just stay tuned for that. All right, Deborah Wu's in.
Platoon.
Bim Country is in. Sandfitch is winning. We're at 104. Sandfitch is winning. Rena is in. Sandfitch is back in. We're at 124. 124, approximately 12 inches. This one's huge. And sold to Sandfitch. You got it for 124.
Nice.
Lot number 98. Lot number 98. This bad boy is heavy. It's a power tower, 9 3/4 inches tall.
Things keep getting
9 3/4 inches tall. Look at the stripe, the lightning stripe through it. It's huge. Huge, I tell you.
Can you show them the bottom?
Not that bottom.
The bottom of
You know what it's like working with all women and being told what to do?
Yeah.
9.
Odd numbers.
It's the best.
All right,
you
let's
ever
run
have.
it. Let's run it. Yeah, I'm just living my best life here. Just living my best life. Hey, and divvy now, 1 now, 2 now, 3 now, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a little bit more. And 70 down, 25, 35, 35, 35. I have to say it's my best life. I'm living my best life. Hey, and 65 divided by, divvy now 165 divided by, and sold it, Lisa. You bought it 155. Congratulations.
99. Look at this thing. This one is approximately 12 and a half inches.
You just think that's big.
If I did my math correctly, 12 and look how thick that is. 12 and a half inches. Steve Kaiser says, I feel you. I feel you. All right, this thing is heavy. Do you remember how much this one weighs, Ninja Gina? This is 99. It's a little under 10 pounds, I'm gonna guess.
I guess it's 7 to 9.
7 to 9 pounds.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and run it. Let's run this one. 99. Here we go. My arms are gonna get tired.
All right, here we go. It's
Dealing with
hexagon.
lady would drive you insane. Ladies, he has to deal
Is
with
that
three
six-sided as well?
women daily.
They take over every inch of everything I own. They
Debbie
forget
says
everything.
Jeremy loves every minute, and sold to Matt. You got it for 180.
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't. I get cookies, so I'm happy. Lot number 100. Just a reminder, we are giving away gold. This thing is so heavy, I should have 2 hands on it. We're giving away gold here very, very shortly. This is 15 inches tall, almost a lot of poundage. A lot of poundage. It's very, very heavy, over 10 pounds. This thing is beautiful, 6-sided. This is the biggest stone I think I've ever found, ever. Let's run it. It's huge. Hey, and let's make Fleesa so mad right now. She's gonna scream. She's gonna scream. Does it weigh more than Fleesa? Nothing does. Hey, except for illiterate Tammy. Hey, and 250, now 260, now 270, divvy now 270, now 280, divvy now 280, 280, now 290, now 3, now 310, divvy now 310. I don't even know what it goes to after 3. $300 Snowflower. Congratulations, Snowflower. You just purchased the biggest stone we have ever sold or found in our lives.
It's huge. Yes,
It's so huge. All right. See this hoodie right here? We're about to auction off. It says SpongeBob. It is embroidered. And then on the back, it says Aloha from Bikini Bottom. Well, welcome to paradise. Good vibes only. Mine is a 3X.
Definitely does not say that. It says Aloha. Welcome to Bikini Body. Bikini Bottom. Paradise. Good vibes only.
All right, here we go. 3XL. Let's run it. Actually, it doesn't have a little like
Has
pouch.
pockets.
It has
It has
pockets on the
pockets, which is
side.
cool.
It is cool. It's got deep pockets. All right, here we go.
Welcome to Bikini Bottom.
3XL.
Ah,
The hoodies do come
is
with a personalized
paradise.
note with Jeremy and mine's autograph.
is paradise. Good vibes only for the sponge named Bob
15
and his
minutes
best
later.
friend Patrick
All right,
Starr.
Lisa's in. Lisa, she got it for 96. Congrats, Lisa.
All I want to do is beat George. That's it. That's all I care about.
All right, so let's get it to 97.
96 and 1 penny. What?
1 penny? Can
Wait.
they bid 1 penny?
Oh, the United States doesn't do pennies anymore. Bikini
96
Bottom.
and a nickel.
All right. Nickels are out. Oh, I just
hilarious.
put my hand in there, and there's a little hole in the pocket.
They would lose their nickels.
You would lose your nickel really
And
quick.
dollars.
The other pocket's great. Let's run it. SpongeBob SquarePants.
It's running.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hi. All you got to do is beat George. Hey, and to be now 81 to the 1 now 91 to 100. I don't even care what happens. I don't even care what happens after this. 105. Michelle.
Nice.
You and me, Michelle. We did it together. You and me. Let's mic drop at the same time, Michelle. Ready? 3, 2. Mic drop, George. Mic drop.
Don't tell Jeremy, but I really wanted him to win. All right, you guys, we're gonna run some flash sales before we run the buyer's appreciation. If you haven't purchased something out of the auction or the buy it now, now's your opportunity. So let's run a flash sale. Do we still have some more phone jails left? If we have any more phone jails left, it's jailed for disturbing the peace. The entire antis need this. The unhinged need to stay off the internet. It's big enough to put 2 phones in
All
there
right,
if you
get your
needed
phone
to.
jail.
All right, there's only a limited amount in the buy it now. We're giving you 20% off. 20% off with 15 seconds remaining on the clock. Leatherwork, thank you so much for your purchase.
10 left.
Maddie, thank you so much. Are we glitching again? Oh no, are we glitching again? Your streaming is bad. Maybe we might have to get off the Wi-Fi. All right, time is up. Time is up. All right, let's run a giveaway on the little mama. On the little mama. She has like the little baby. She got little baby crawling on her, holding on
I
to
gotta
her.
find her. There she is. A pangolin.
It is a pangolin, new with the tag.
It's running.
Comes with the little baby pup right there on better. Is that
Mhm.
better? Okay, they're saying better.
Awesome.
Isn't this cute? Shine, thank you so much.
It's a pangolin.
All right, there's only a limited amount left. 5 seconds left on the clock. Flash sale of 20%. 20% off. All right, time is up. All right, let's do. Do we have any of these left in the buy now?
I can find out.
All right, G's gonna see if we have any of these left.
Yeah, we have a few.
Okay, all right. We got a stitch spatula. You get the spatula and you get the baking liner set.
15 cents or no,
New in the package.
14 seconds left.
All right, 10 seconds left on the clock. We're giving you 15% off. Thank you to those that are purchasing out of the buy it now. Deborah's in, Laura's in. All right, 2 seconds left and time is up. Oh, I think we sold out. I think we're sold out.
Oh my goodness.
All right, do we have any more of these?
Hand warmers?
Yes.
Probably not because it's been cold, but let me check.
We have one.
You think yeah, this could be
No,
it.
we don't.
We're sold out of the
I
hand
don't see
warmers.
them.
Okay, not a problem. We could do something else. Do we have any of these
Let me see.
that we can run a flash sale on?
Let me see. We do have a few.
Okay, all right. We're about to run a flash sale on this. It is a
Charm
Nightmare
bracelet.
Before Christmas, a charm bracelet. You can mix and match the charms, new in the box, just like this. You get 1 bracelet, 5 charms. There's only a few left in the buy it now. 20% off. We're giving you 20% off with 15 seconds remaining on the clock. All right, 10 seconds left on the clock. Thank you to those that are making a purchase out of the buy it now.
How about we give them a
And flash
chance to
sale.
buy some silver before they could get to enter for the gold?
Yeah, we could do that. All right, time is up. All right. Dee wants to run a flash sale on a grain of silver. We could definitely run a flash sale on a grain of silver. All right.
Here we go.
Here we go. All right.
It's gonna go quick.
You're going to get a grain of silver just like that. There's the grain right there.
All right.
It does come with the COA on the back. You can get a What the Hales card with a grain of silver right there. There's only a few left in the buy it now.
There's
5
6 left.
seconds remaining on the clock.
2 left.
2 left.
And they're gone. You want to try
Sold
the
out.
gold?
Oh, Brenda just unlocked the silver. Yeah, we could do gold. We can run a flash sale on some gold. I just gotta find it.
I'll wait.
All
I'll
right.
wait.
Go ahead and run it. Go ahead and run it.
It's in there.
All right. So Dee's gonna run a flash sale on gold. It looks just like this, but you get a grain of gold. I can't find the
It's right
sample
here.
right now. Oh, because it was. All right, thank you. There we go. What the Hales card with a grain of gold right there. Pickletink just unlocked the
available.
gold here. Comes with the COA on the back. 5 seconds remaining on the clock. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Let's run one more flash sale.
All right. What do you want to run?
All right, let's do, what do we have? What do we have? You want to do this one? Let's do
Okay.
this. All right.
Let me see if I can find it.
A
I
mug.
found it.
These are new in the package. 11-ounce mugs. It's Rosie. We can do it. We can do it. Cherie says, I have the gold and silver cards.
It's
Nice.
running.
All right, here we go. Flash
Rosie
sale,
mugs.
25% off, you guys. New in the box. New in the box. We've got 5
We can
seconds
do it,
remaining.
too.
Yes. Girl power.
Girl power.
Girl power. All right, and time is up.
Nice.
Time is up. All right, are we ready?
Are you ready? You want
Yeah.
one more or you want
Let's-
to go?
Let's do. What do you think, boss man? Run one more flash sale or
We'll
run the
let
buyer
Jeremy
appreciation?
decide. What do you want to do, Jeremy?
Whatever
Here's
you
your
guys tell me
chance.
to do. Whatever you tell me to do. I said whatever you tell me to do. Right, Deanna? Right, Gina? Right, George?
All right, Tony's saying the weed whacker. We could do
The
the
weed
whacker.
whacker.
All right, we'll run one more splash sale and then we'll do the buyer's
Weed
appreciation.
whacker.
All right, the weed whacker is a Craftsman and it is electrical. It's not gas, but it's electrical.
It's got a
Selena says,
12-inch
right,
corded
right.
string. It's new in the box.
It is new in the box.
And there it goes.
All right, here we go. It's running. We're giving you 20% off. Again, it's a Craftsman weed whacker, new in the box. New in the box. There's only 10 seconds remaining on the clock. These weed whackers are awesome. I actually called dibs on one, and it's awesome. All right,
Yeah, they're
3,
very
2,
lightweight.
1, and time is up.
All right.
All right, here we go. Lord Jan says, I love mine.
All right, here we go.
All right, we're going to run the buyer's appreciation.
It's
So if you,
gonna run in 30 seconds after it starts. It's
Okay.
gonna pick somebody.
in 3, 2, 1, boop, let's run it. All right, anyone that made a purchase, get in the giveaway. Get in the giveaway. Again, you're going to get this
You
gold
got
coin.
less than you got 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds to get in. So
There's
get
the
in now.
vintage. Only 9,999 of these were made. This is the 17th one that was produced. This is
Hurry
the
up, hurry
17th
up. You
one.
can get something inside and get it.
All right.
5,
Here we go.
4, 3, 2.
Whatnot's going to
One.
pick a winner. Here we go. Here we go. It's going to select a winner. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Sherry Nowak just won the giveaway. Congratulations. Nice. All right. Want to thank everyone for tuning in. Want to thank our moderators. We love you. We appreciate you. Also want to thank everyone that made a purchase, whether it was at auction or buy it now. We truly appreciate the support. Want to thank everyone that tipped us this evening, everyone that boosted our show this evening. We're truly blessed to have you guys as part of our community. And hopefully you'll join us tomorrow at 7 p.m. where Patience and Christian will have an auction. You may even see Pepper and Baby Salt. Until then, say good night, gang.
Good night, gang, gang.
Gang, gang, get to the whip.
Good night, y'all. We love you.
And for all you in the YouTube world, stay weird. Stay weird. You're weirdos. Who would stick around for this many hours watching us? You're weird.
And we
Especially
love you.
you, Debbie Vaughn. You're a weirdo.